Let's go, let's go, let's go. Are we plugged in? Testing. Can you guys hear me? I hope so. Why does this shirt look weird on stream? You know when you wear like something on top of like your shirts, but then like the bottom shirt looks anyways. Hi everybody. Good, good. See now every day I show up I have to say, can you hear me? Just because of the one time we had a problem, you know? Music. Music make you lose control. Wish we could listen to like Christmas music. But maybe that's not a good idea, you know? Maybe that is not a good idea. Oh wow. Okay. Good morning, Will. Sean, good morning. Oh yeah, Sean, good. King, good morning. Saying good morning, Virus and Thrust. Take it off. Sunny, good morning. Devin, good morning. BLK, good morning. Tesh, good evening. Oleg, good morning. Jay, good morning. Good morning, Bradley. Eritrean, good morning. Virus's real name, Mr. Thrust. Wizard, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Tony, good morning. Jericho, good morning. Christian, good morning. Paul, good morning. D. Ayo, good morning. Seven, top of the day to you as well. Okay. Let's go. Make a trend, Raven. Yeah, that was a nice play. That was nice. The chart just looked nice, Raven. It just looked nice, you know? So I'm glad you got in and made money. Okay. OB, Ayo, Ayo. I just wanted to look at BURU to see what it looked like. Looks good on a smaller time frame, but on the bigger time frame, it looks like it needs some work, you know? Like it needs to stay above 30 cents. The S&P is selling off a bit into the open, but overall it's green. Bitcoin had a crazy day yesterday, guys, right? All the way to 1065, right? So Bitcoin made brand new all-time highs. So this morning, some of these names should be opening up green, like the. So for a lot of you guys holding like BITO, IBIT, CONY, you're gonna be smiling this morning, you know, because you're waking up to BTC monies. So congratulations, guys, right? So Bitcoin looks good. My concern though is we'll talk about this later, but uh, let's see, watch dips close to. Okay, there we go. Quietly doing work in the background. BLK, it is. My concern though is every time that Bitcoin breaks a brand new all time high, it almost seems like Michael Saylor and is buying Bitcoin. You know, Cedric, good morning. Yeah, we'll see. It looks like NMHI is dipping though, right? A lot of resistance at 350, 340. So, but we are still sitting above the 200 EMA, so that's good. Is it time to buy Zhang? Well, okay, Zhang, I'm gonna pull up a screenshot for you, okay? And I'm gonna remind you why you're missing out again in Discord. Okay, gonna remind you why you're missing out. Uh, let's see what else. Remind you. Okay, never mind. Okay, there we go. We'll come back to that later. GNPX, interesting. DRMA, DRMA. Okay. Uh, okay. Do you see this, Zhang? As we were talking about this last week in Discords, do you see that? Do you see? Do you see? Do you see? Right? Do you see that? Yeah, DRMA with a bit of a bounce. But let me pull up WeBuy, because WeBuy is the stock of the morning for sure. The stock of the morning, right? So from 17 cents, right? That's a daily time frame, isn't it, Raven? Yeah, that's the daily time frame. It was at the bottom, right? So it was at the bottom. It was finding support. So then we liked it, right? So yeah, you see. Yeah. So again, you miss out on this stuff, from 17 cents, right? Raven got in at 18 cents, right? From 18 cents to 28 cents, right? He sold a bit early, but that's okay, right? Um, and then Luna got in at like 17 or 18 and sold at like 40 cents or something, right? So she did really well on that. But again, you're asking us, is this a good time to buy when it was at 17 or 18 cents, right? So, but anyways, for now, though, if you're looking for a brand new position, there is a bit of support at 36 cents. So if they can stay above that, that would be good. Seymour, good morning. Nikolai, good morning. River, good morning. TM, good morning. Trey, good morning. Patricia, good morning. Lizzie, good morning. Good morning, everybody. Right. So again, we're going back to 39 cents now and then 40. And then I think the high for today is 44 ish, right, for WeBuy. So let's see what happens. That man has connections. You asking, is it time to sell? Oh, what did you get in ad? Zhang. Eric, good morning. What did you get in ad? Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. Already. Uh, let's see. What else do we like here? The S&P, yeah, S&P still looking a bit sus there. NMH, I don't think this one's quite done yet, but it does look a bit weak, doesn't it? Still, this SIDU. SIDU looks weak as well. LAES, similar, right? Up 48%, but looking weak going into the open with 11 minutes to go. Beats, same thing, right? BURU, that one hasn't really gained momentum yet. DRMA, though, again, it seems like it has some support around $1.10, so let's see what happens there. So really, it's like, it's WeBuy. For now, that looks like the play, doesn't it? You know, everything else still looks a bit on the sussy side. On the sussy side. Okay, let's see here. Okay, sounds good. Be okay. Chefman, good morning. You got in at 31. Okay, 31. I would say look at the amount you're in, Zhang. So if I were you, this is how I would treat this position. I would look at this and say, okay, how many shares do I have? Like, am I up $100 or up $1,000? Okay, depending on the amount. Like, do I just want to set a stop loss for half of those gains, 80% of those gains, right? Or do I just want to pick a level of support and then set a stop loss? So then, do I want to go like below 37, below 38? Right? So, because at some point you will get a dip. The good thing is you have a really good entry, which is all the way down there, right? And you have all of this support at 36 cents as well. So if it can stay above, then you're good. Shaftman, good morning. Next gen, uh, in on at 32. What do you think? I think it looks good next gen. Just make sure you have a stop loss, right? Wing of Liberty. Good morning. Just wanted to say I enjoy the stream with coffee, and you've been learning a lot. Thank you for the feedback, Wings of Liberty. And obviously, again, let us know if you have any questions, anything you don't understand. Let us know, please. But yeah, WeBuy clearly looks like the stock of the morning for now, so that's good. Let's go! Come on, William. Come on. Make it trend. 1069. Where did the 69 come from? Is all I want to know. Where did it come from? Here goes 40 cents for WeBuy almost, guys. So hashtag trend it. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Let's see. Okay. WeBuy. 1 second. There we go. Yeah, we're right below 40 cents here on WeBuy, so it's gonna need to do the breakout. The breakout. Okay. Hopefully that doesn't glitch. 40 cents broken. Let's see if we can close above 40 cents though, because you do have a lot of resistance right around 40 cents, guys. A lot of resistance around 40 cents. Dan, good morning. Ayo. Good morning. I wish I in pre-market. That's okay. You only have 7 minutes to go, and it's going in the right direction, right? So another thing you could do is so again, obviously you can't set a stop loss. Nose, good morning. Bunny, good morning everybody. Christian, if I missed you. The other thing you could do is you could put in the order. So you could put in a limit order but not actually like send it in, right? So let's say you want to set a stop loss for 37 cents, right? And the stock is currently at 40 cents. You obviously can't do a stop loss. You can just fill the order in ready to go, and then if you see it approaching that level, you could just hit it and send it, right? That's the or you could put that limit right below. So when it's breaking below 37 cents, I'm just using 37 cents as a random number. Alrighty, not that it's but so there goes 28% on WeBuy. If you're holding WeBuy or you've made monies in WeBuy, type in yes in the chat. Type in yes in the chat. There are a whole bunch of names with Catalyst this morning, but not a whole lot of them actually moving, Zhang, nice. Tim, well done. Captain, love it. Greg, yeah. You're still holding, Captain? Love it. Good morning, Jay. Love it, love it, love it. Yeah, so you can clearly see though, right? There's a little bit of resistance, especially if you look to the left-hand side. There's that pivot, right? That it's failed at multiple times. So you can kind of see all of these wicks like crossing above, but not really closing above and then coming back down. So just be aware of that as we get to the open. Just in case people start selling the thing, you can say, you know what? Maybe I want to take some profits too. And I've said this a few times, right? Like base case going into every market open, if a stock is going up into the open, you almost expect it to retrace a bit at the open, right? And then we kind of see if it wants to push higher. Alrighty. So again, we know there's resistance at this price already. Anyways, again, just look to the left hand side. You can already tell, right? So we'll see what happens with this one going into the open, guys. Again, the S&P is with a baby gap up, right? Bitcoin looks okay. That high is 106 still. And then NMHI, I wonder if this thing will dip and then consolidate and then pop at the open. I hope it does, right? So we'll keep an eye on that one. SIDU, meh, right? So again, very similar boat to the other one we just mentioned. It's selling off into the open, so let's see if we can get a pop. And then there's a whole bunch of other random names. But clearly for now, though, the main name is WeBuy, right? Question for you guys in the chat with 5 minutes to go. What's your favorite stock going into the open? Archer? Who knows? What's your favorite stock going into the open, guys? What's your favorite stock? Again, if you haven't smashed a like, I would really appreciate it if you could take a second and smash a like so you don't have to do it once the market opens already. Smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new. And if you're not a member yet and you want to join us in Discord, just click the link at the bottom of the chat and come join us. NMHI, yeah, that one looks interesting for sure. We buy Merlin, it's not Merlin. TNXP, yeah, I saw that. Yeah, looks okay. Red Cat into the open. I wanted to look at 10H. 10H does have a bit of social media love as well. But I mean, it ran and then it's selling off. So yeah, for sure, something to watch, especially if you can find support between 16 and 17 cents. That might be a good thing, Christian. Alrighty. Yeah, yeah, yeah. FD approved stage three of what? Yeah, just be careful. Um, just be careful with FDA stuff. Alrighty. You're watching truck. Sounds good. Yeah, let's see what happens when the market opens. Like I said again, the main name for now is we buy because we buy looks the best, right? And then I think for second on the list for me is going to be this one, NMHI. So let's see if we can consolidate and then pop at the open for this one, right? So those would be the top two for me. But again, there's so many names that I'm sure things are going to pop that we aren't really paying attention to, which is fine. Like cats. Yeah, that was a nice post from Jake last night in Discord for Red Cats. Because I think woke up this morning and chose a bit of violence. So that's why we keep telling people like, hey, always look at the options channel because there's stuff in the options channel that isn't just for options. Red Cat was in there last night. Doche AO, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. So here goes 40 cents again here for we buy. So let's see if we can keep pushing. 2 minutes to go. Samuel Red Cat is good. Eric, good, good, good. Come on, just break it and go already. Break and go, break and go, break and go, 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 go. There we go. Good morning, Chris. Good morning. Yeah, hopefully it's not as slow as it was on Friday. Friday was really slow, guys. And then the other name that we kind of have on the watch list, guys, we talked about this already in Discord, is BURU, right? BURU. So let's see if that thing can stay above 30 cents. Because if it does and it consolidates, maybe that becomes somewhat of a swing play. So for now, again, it's nothing to panic about because it doesn't have the momentum. It's not really doing anything similar to WeBuy, right? So, but yeah, there you go. So something to keep an eye on. BURU if it can maintain support and then go from there, and then back to WeBuy. Right, again, we will keep reminding you guys, right? So sometimes, not always, sometimes being a part of a community is a good thing, right? Sometimes you can catch some nice swing gems, right? Like I said earlier, on Friday or Thursday, we were watching WeBuy, right? Because WeBuy had a really good daily chart, right? Like look at that daily chart in a demand zone above the 50. It's consolidating this. Look at these are daily candles, by the way, right? So it's really sitting there and it's consolidating, right? From 17 cents all the way to where we're at this morning, right? And you have a whole bunch of people getting in, right? From 18 cents, from 17 cents, right? From 17, I think this is Luna, right? Luna got in at 17 all the way to 39 cents, right? That's a pretty sweet scalp, right? More than double the money's there. So again, sometimes, if you're not a member, you can miss out on like the little things. So if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat. Come join us. Alrighty? And here we go. We are open for business, guys. Bring on the violence. Bring on, you're looking at Playboy too. Oh, wow, Bruce. Interesting. Why is everybody looking at Playboy this morning? So NMHI is still trying to decide what it wants to do. So let's see if we can stay above the 200 there, right? So like I said, this is going to be one of the names we watch. It looks like it's bouncing a bit already, so that's good. BURU, WeBuy is still doing a good job, just holding above, and it's looking for 41. Just again, these are these are expected market open candles, though, right, guys? At this point, we know when the market opens, you get crazy candles up and down and up and down. So just be careful. Don't look at this and be like, "Oh my God, it's going without me," and then FOMO, and then all of a sudden we go from 40 cents back to 38. Right? Look at this. Look. 37. Right? Again, we're gonna keep warning you guys every single morning. Try not to just jump into something immediately as soon as the market opens, because when you see these candles and you're like, "Oh my God, it looks amazing," right? The next candle, boom, right back to the abyss. So, like I said earlier, though, we have support at above 36. So we can stay above 36. That's fine. These are just price discovery candle, right? Expected chaos, the usual, you know. The S&P just had a nice little pop there, so that's good. Bitcoin is still pushing up, and that looks okay. This looks meh. That looks meh, meh, meh. SIDU looks like it's consolidating a bit though, right? At $2.20. So let's see if we can stay above 220 for SIDU, guys. Alrighty, that'd be good. That'd be good. 1056 for Red Cat. Very nice. So a bit of a bounce there for SIDU. $2.33, 35 cents. Oof. That thing said, let me cook a bit. Let me cook. Let me cook. Yeah, let's see if that thing can pop like that and give us a higher low though. Yeah, MSTR. 37, 38. It's a poopy diaper. 39, 240. That's actually a nice pop, right? But look at WeBuy, guys. Look at WeBuy. WeBuy is still selling off, right? So let's see if we can double bottom and stay above this previous bottom, right? That'd be good if we can. So if this candle can close above 36 to 35, that'd be a good thing. But this is why we keep saying, hey, like at the open, it doesn't matter if this is your favorite name at the open. Just give it a second, please. Right? Like let it chill out. Otherwise, you end up catching a knife and then you cry about it, you know? Does that make sense? Makes sense. So there you go. Still dipping, right? So maybe we go back and retest the 200 there actually. Ooh, that thing said, let me go down. Let's see here. Uh, there you go. Keep dipping, keep dipping. Maybe not. Here we go. Not I'm not gonna count it out yet. I want that 33, that 200 test. That 200 test ye. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Yeah. Okay, now give me a run up. Give me a run up. Give me a run up. So that looks. Let's see what that does. BTC still looks good. The S&P is confused. SIDU actually had a really good run all the way to the supply zone, so that's good. Alrighty, so pretty nice bounce from demand to supply. And 10H meh. And then let's see if WeBuy can give us some consolidation above that 200 and demand zone. Alrighty. He is not the favorite. No, that thing wants to give us more violence. But come on, give us a high low candle is all we want. Yeah, come on now. Yeah, come on now. Come on now. We want to see bouncy bouncies. There we go. Come on now. That thing said, you only get 1 penny. That's it. 1 penny. 1 penny. High of the day for BlackBerry. I don't know. BlackBerry is one of those names that I hear and I'm like, eh. You know, it's just one of those names for me. It's just like just one of those names, you know. The next Apple. uh, yeah, Bitcoin looks not. Ooh, look at BTC, guys, almost back to 35. Beautiful. SIDU came all the way back down. I'm surprised they didn't halt it on the way down. NMHI is holding that 200, so that's good if it can stay above already, guys. So again, it still seems like our two favorite names are still our two favorite names. Nothing has really changed, Nothing's really changed. We did get a bit of a bounce for WeBuy above above the level we were looking for, right? So that 33 to 34 was what we were looking for on WeBuy. So let's see if we can stay above and just consolidate, right? So that's one name we like, and then the other name we like is NMHI, right? So and it's also bouncing up the 200, which is good. So let's see if we can cross above the 50 again. Ready? Ayo, Grim. Ayo. Come on. Don't let this be like a last Friday thing. We need pumpies. We need pumpies. We need pumpies. Pumpies. Come on, Grim. Show us the pumpies. Other than that, there isn't a whole lot else that's cooking. Not a whole lot that's cooking. Here we go. There's the pumpies, guys. Give us. Ooh, I can see Grim monies. I see Grim monies. All the pumpies. All the pumpies. Can we see more pumpies? Just gonna have to move that stop loss up because that thing is gonna screw with us. That thing's gonna screw with us a little bit. Yeah, it has Friday vibes all over it, Grim. It's like little scalpies. Hopefully not. We'll see. Who, me? Late this week? No. No. No, we're streaming all of this week. Well, except for tomorrow. Tomorrow, I think we're gonna stream in Discord, like voice in Discord, because I have to go to the what do they call it again? Like the passport office. They're like, oh, be here by 8 o'clock. I'm like, the market opens at 7:30. Are you kidding me? So I guess I'm gonna have to be there around 7:30. Which is annoying. So then we could just stream in Discord. I could take my computer with me before and then sit there before the market opens. Open up the charts and then we could have my headphones and we could do the thing like not yeah. Or you'll be waiting all day. Seriously, like it's so stupid. All of this because somebody wanted to strike. You know what's crazy? If they ended this stupid thing like a week ago, maybe I wouldn't have to go there. But they're ending it tomorrow, so that doesn't really help me because that's the day I'm supposed to be there. So then I'm gonna have to go in anyways. Like it's SV. No, it's my passport renewal. I just have to renew my passport. So then the postal service that's striking has my passport. Like it was approved a long time ago and they sent it back to me, but in the process of sending it back to me, it got stuck in the office, right? So it's sitting in somebody's building. So they're like, okay, you can come in and we'll give you a new one. But how long is that going to take though? So I guess we'll find out tomorrow. That's what I'm saying. Like if they ended this like a week ago, maybe I would have a chance for them to like, because I'm sure they have backlog of mail that goes back like a month. So like, how long is it going to take them to send all of that stuff? Who knows? But anyway, so yeah, we buy. Let's see if we can stay above this demand zone, guys. 33 to 34. Yeah, it just has weird vibes to me the way that it's bouncing, and and MHI also failed at the 50, which is not a surprise. So today, just like you can tell, today just has like weird vibes all over it. But we'll see. Yeah. From the village, Willie? Yeah, of course. Uh, could not find any. No, I don't think there's a reason, Alan. I just think it's, I just think it's an OTC stock, and people just scalp up and down. Really, Dennis? So Azul was right. I feel like our only hope for now is our only hope is this. I feel like our only hope is for WeBuy to just cook. I know LASE. I know. I saw those alerts go off, and I was too busy slacking on it, because I was trying to manage something else. But that was a good breakout, though, Grim. Especially above 260. That was a good breakout, and then you have that supply right below 290. So I quit. I quit. Random stuff. Yeah, it does. It does. Anyways, here goes we buy. So we buy. Come on now. Can we just break above the VWAP already? Like we don't have time for this. Don't let like LAES outshine you. That thing already ran for like multiple days. Like you have to cook. Unbelievable. BTC looks nice though. Like really nice. You know. So just go back to all-time highs again. Everybody's happy, right? And then again, Grim, you have that supply zone closer to 290. Ready? So there goes, guys. There goes 37. Monies. Monies. Show us more monies. There we go, guys. There we go. Monies. Monies. Show us more monies. Can we see 38 cents already? Or can that candle at least close above 37? The 50, and like the 50 is going to be a bit of an obstacle too, but we don't mind. We don't mind. We don't mind. Let's see what happens there. You took all the profits, 245. That's a beautiful trade. Yeah, that's a very nice trade. I like it a lot. I like it a lot, Grim. Well done. Very well done. Okay. Do, 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 do. 3, 2, 1, and drops. Stupid thing. Unbelievable. Not a bad little scalp though. Close to 38 cents. Not bad at all. There you go. So I mean, if it can keep staying above like that demand zone under 200, maybe there's a chance still on WeBuy. Alrighty, alrighty. Okay. Anything else moving other than the ones we've talked about? Not really. Not really. Okay. So I guess we stay with these names then. My size is MYNZ is halted up, and so is ZCAT, whatever the ticker symbol is. The stupid ticker symbol is ZCAR. Oh, this song? ZCAR. Yeah. WKTM. Did you play with that one? Here we go again, retesting the same level. Yeah, we keep testing that bottom, and it's gonna get slapped. That's all we know. Let me take a look. QUBT, thank you for the super chat, Six God. What is that? Okay. Let's see. Uh, okay, QUBT. What did you get into this one at? I feel like you've been swinging this for a long time. Yeah, no, this one's been monies. Yeah, quantum computers have been a really nice theme. So yeah, really nice theme. A very very nice team. BZ BZUN. 618. That's a very nice entry. Let me pull up the daily before I come back to B zone. B zone. Um, that's a really nice entry, by the way. Congratulations, because that was a retest of the 20 and the kernel. So really good entry. The only obstacle you're gonna face is, anytime it looks like we push close to $6, we seem to fail, right? Not to $8, right? Anytime we push to the top of that supply zone to $8, we seem to come back down. So just be mindful of that. Alrighty. Cool. Yeah, and then just move your stop loss up as time goes on, right? And then yeah, so BZOUN guys, that looks really good. So congratulations if you're in this one. I know this one's been getting spammed in Discord by the bot. Has a bit of a bigger flow, but it's still doing really well because the volume is coming in, right? So yeah, we buy. Yeah, you have to move that stop loss up, right? Sibir, you have to move that stop loss up. You can't just let it sit there, right? If you bought this thing again, if you bought this thing closer to the bottom and it's pushing up like that, you can't just hope that it keeps going higher, right? If you buy this thing at 33, 34, 35, 36, right, and it goes up to almost 38, you want to make sure that you're not just sitting there and watching it, right? At the very least, like don't let it go from green to red. You know, SIDU is getting slapped too. WKEY, is it halted up? Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Grim, are you still in this one? That looks very nice, actually. Very, very, very nice. What did you play with? 100%? Ooh, that's nice. That's very nice. Pyro. Very, very nice. Oh, yeah, that's WeBuy. Very, very nice. I like it a lot. You sure am? Let's go, Grim. Yeah, so WKEY is halted up. I don't think we made it to these levels on Friday, so I'm going to zoom out and look at the daily quickly here. All right, that stock has been running for a few days now. It looks like your next supply is $12, right? So if you go back far enough, right, you're going to see this $12 congestion here, right? So this little area here, that's $12. So that would be your potential next level to watch as a target. So let's see if we can get there. And if we can break above that level, and then okay, cool. It looks like it looks like 13, which is the next dollar level. So actually 1270, right? 1270 to 13, and then 1350 after that. So let's see if they can keep cooking. But that's a pretty nice run though. This is what day number 4 of the run now. That was a good breakout actually. That was a very good breakout. Right? Very look at that. Resistance, 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 breakout. Said bye-bye. Thanks for coming. See you on the moon. So again, congratulations if you are in this one. Let's see what happens when it gets unhalted. You think TNXP is the next play? Well, let's take a look. LA is still looking really good there, Grim, right? LAES. LAES, looking really good. And then let me take a look at TNXP here. You think this one's the next play? This one's for sure had some momentum this morning, and it's been running for a few days now. Right? Yeah, you kind of have a double top though at 33 cents. So I think that's the level I'd be watching to see if they can break above. You have 33 cents on the daily time frame, which makes a lot of sense because it's also on the 1 minute, right? So that's 33 cents at the open. That's 33 cents, and then obviously this entire supply zone is 33 to 32, right? So I keep calling it 33 cents just because it's a nice round number, but it's below 33 cents, right below. So if it can break out, then yeah, sure, right? If it can break that resistance, then next gen maybe. Alrighty. Zilla says how to get into your Discord. You have a membership. You have a free membership that does not give you access to Discord. You have to upgrade. Alrighty. So click the link at the bottom of the chat there and upgrade. You're gonna get a discount, or it might not even actually charge you anything because you already have a membership. It's gonna tell you that next month it's gonna charge you, right? So again, if you're not a member yet, make sure you sign up, guys. Right? Especially for the Discord community level, because that level will be sold out by next year, right? So you won't have access to that level. So if you're still like sitting there and you're like, but please, and then next year you just won't have access to that level, righty? You just won't. So there goes TNXP, guys. That thing's like, hey, are you talking about me? Yeah, you can thank next gen for that. So yeah, if they can break out next gen, then yes, absolutely, it has the momentum. It has all the right ingredients. Bitcoin looks fire. Suitcase, that's because you don't have a stop loss. Please use a stop loss, right? Please. You notice how, like, again, think about it. You notice how, like, NMHI was one of our favorite names coming into the open. But as soon as we get to the open and it's not doing anything, we don't even talk about it, right? So like you have to treat it like that. You can't just come into the open with expectations like, oh, this thing is going to do well, like I'm going to stay in this stock, right? No, you come into the open and you see what's giving you entries and then you go there, right? You just have to have a watch list though. So that's about it, right? We it's very common that we have like names coming into the open and then we get to the open and then that name looks like garbage because it's just going down 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 down, right? And it, it doesn't look good at all, and then we just don't talk about it. Oh, virus. So mean. Oh my goodness. uh oh my goodness. Okay, that's a good little scalp there. Good scalp there. I'm just looking to see if okay. Okay, there you go. Oh, there goes the on hold, guys. It's going for WKEY is going for that $12 for the $12, guys. The $12. So that looks good. That looks good. Do hmm, interesting. We'll keep an eye on that. See what that does. And the S&P still looks okay. Still seems a bit confused. And Bitcoin is what, $500 away from all-time highs again, guys. So congratulations on WKEY, guys. Congratulations on WKEY there, because that look there goes a break above $12. That looks nice. That looks very nice. Hi, Jamison. Ayo, ayo. Gail, good morning. Uh, Chris says the forecast is $21. They acquired 90% of Bitcoin mining. Yeah, be very careful with that. Be very, very careful, please. Right? Please and thank you. Okay, there you go. Ooh, wee, nice and green. Nice and green. Good morning, Generation Z. What do you think about BlackBerry? Why does everybody like BlackBerry today? I'll take a look in a second. I'll take a look. You went in at $3.25 suitcase. Let me take a look. Um, yeah, NMHI, $3.25, and then you diamond handed it. Dang it, sweet suitcase. Dang it! Look at this. Look, 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 look. You got in. You got in right there, right? You got in right there. Um, I mean, forget about the fact that you're buying at resistance. Forget about the fact that you're buying right below supply zone, right, which you shouldn't be doing, and it's breaking below the 9, below the VWAP, below the 20, below the kernel. Not something that we say to do, right? Forget about all of that, right? Where's your stop loss? Like, where's your stop loss? Where's your mental stop loss, right? To say, you know what? I'm buying the stock at $3.25. You know what though? Like, I'm gonna have a mental stop loss at $2.99 because if it goes below $3, I don't know what's gonna happen, right? Okay, I'm gonna lose 25 cents. Big deal, right? I mean, it's better than watching it go all the way to $2.25 and you lose $1, right? So Minimize those losses, Suitcase. Minimize them, right? Minimize those losses because it's easy for you to make 25 cents back, not as easy for you to make $1 back, right? Okay, let me pull up BlackBerry. Also, come join us in Discord, right? Come join us in Discord. While you were buying this thing, while you were buying this thing at that price, cancel. While you were buying that stock at that price, and HI, while you were buying that stock at that price, let me just let me some reason that screenshot doesn't want to load. It's taking forever. I just wanted to show you why other people were getting in below $3 in Discord because they saw the news. The news was posted. You were getting in at resistance, right? So back to Virus's point, money donation. Anyways, TNXP is still failing at resistance, right? Like we mentioned earlier. So if it can break out, that'd be a good thing. WeBuy looks like it's consolidating above 3150, but it's still weak, so be careful. QBTS, again, congratulations on that entry there. It still looks good. And then there goes NMHI, right? It's about to make brand new lows of the day there. And then WKEY, guys, it pushed above $12 but couldn't hold, so back down a bit. Okay. So yeah. So yeah. Anyways, moving on. Moving on. Okay, let's see. I'm just looking here. Nothing that super stands out as a play. Nothing super shiny. 3.6. There we go, Paul. 320, the volume too sus to buy after the initial pump, and the nano makes it. Yeah, there you go, Grim. Absolutely. Yogi, AO 819 this morning. Low conviction stop move to 850. Very nice. That's okay, Yogi. I like it. Green, please. Green, please. Everything looks a bit sus. Everybody likes Playboy for some reason. Before I do that, though, let me look at BlackBerry, BB, because everybody also likes BlackBerry for some reason, and it does look good. Like the smaller time frame looks really good. I'm just waiting for the chart to load. It kind of feels like there's a threshold that, anyways. I mean, it looks okay, right? Looks okay. Like if BlackBerry can stay about $3, that's a good thing. If it can stay about $3, that's a good thing. You know. And then uh, I'm going to. You're down $900. You see what I mean, guys? Like I don't know what to tell you. Like you could join Discord and catch it before, like when as soon as the news comes out. But instead, you're willing to write it, and you're down $900. You could become a GOATS member for not even a third of that, right? But no, you'd rather waste the monies, right? So, yep. 3 months of GOATS. You know, not even that grim. Not even that. Well over 3 months of gold membership. But no, we'd rather throw the monies away. That looks very good, Yogi. ACHR. That looks very good. So congratulations to you and anybody that's writing that as well. BlackBerry looks okay. The volume isn't amazing, and it's just make sure that it stays above. Just make sure that it stays above, please. $3 or. Anyway, so Playboy PLBY. Playboy looks better than BlackBerry, that's for sure, even though it's sitting at resistance below 290. Alrighty, so the last run Playboy had, guys, was right below 290. Was right here, right 290. That was September July to September, that's when it was hitting 290. And then fast forward to end of the year, that 290 is still resistance. So yeah. So if I was looking for an entry into this, I'd be waiting for a dip closer to 160 or a breakout above 190 already. And then I'm sure $2 is going to be a problem as well. Waiting for in February. I have no idea, Bill. I don't like those though. I don't like when a company is waiting for a catalyst. 160 million for sale. That's the salary of the CEO alone. Yeah, exactly. Like honestly, I don't really like that stuff. Those headlines, meh. WeBuy is trying to consolidate above 3150. So maybe if nothing's moving, maybe WeBuy is going to end up running again. Before going to work, very silly risk management onions. That's annoying. What did you buy at? NQ new all-time highs? Shush. Oof, yeah, look at the S&P, guys. Damn. Damn. I mean, we're not at all-time highs for the S&P yet. We need to get to 609, 609. But let's go, virus. Love it. Love it, love it. But yeah, so again, congratulations if you are in Playboy. It does look good. It's moving up, right? Just be aware that you have resistance 10 cents higher. That's it. But if you're in a position already, then it looks good. Bitcoin? No, Bitcoin's at 105, 3. And then yeah, all-time high is 1065. 1065 BTC. There you go. Perfect. Perfect. What else do we like here, guys? Anything else? Nothing yet. Yeah. Nothing yet. Yeah, it looks like BZUN stalled a bit and then slapped. Stalled and slapped. And then again, that LAES kind of looks like it's holding 260 for now, Grim. With a consolidation there. LAES, $2.60. Wasn't this the same level from last week? I feel like it was. Let me look at AMD. AMD. Sheesh. I was watching. I saw a video of the CEO of what's her name, Lisa Zhu. Lisa. Her name is Lisa, the CEO of AMD, and she was speaking at a university or something. She was giving motivation. She's like, first, if you don't succeed, try again, never give up. Like, oh, that's what AMD is gonna do. Yeah, let's see what AMD ends up doing. But when AMD does run though, that'd be nice. SNS, yeah. Yeah, as long as you're okay with it, like as long as you're okay with it, as long as $900 doesn't, make your account hurts, suitcase, that's fine. Yeah, as long as you're aware of it, you're okay with it, blah blah blah. Like, yeah, absolutely. TNXP, it's trying. This is the third time now. Maybe this is your cup and handle, Bill. Yeah. Destroy all evidence you tried. Exactly. QBTS is still slowly trying there. Still slowly trying. Come on, TNXP. Are you gonna break out or no? WKEY looks like it's trying to bounce up the 20 EMA there. F. Is that the symbol? 1160. the vote will help. Yeah, yeah. There it goes. TNXP wants the explosion, doesn't it? Next gen, you're in this, right? Yeah, you just need that thing to break out and you can smile again. Smile again. There it goes. 33. Oh, yeah. Cup and handle. Oh, yeah. TNXP. Not a bad curl, right? So you are. What did you get in at next gen? What did you get in at? There it goes. Ooh, that thing said bye bye. Seriously, 34 cents. So thanks for coming. Ooh, very nice. Very nice. Congratulations, next gen. That's a very nice breakout. Bill is also really happy because he FOMO'd into this. Maybe not FOMO, but yeah. Well done, guys. Well done. Well done. Monies. That thing's gonna replace WeBuy, isn't it? Come on. We just need stuff to cook today. Hopefully, it's not a boring week, you know? Stifler? I don't mind. I don't mind at all. I'm all for stocks pumping to 1 million, you know? No, 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 no. Wait, is that a Pablo SPAC? Huh. Is it halted again? That's from the halt scanner, by the way. Anna. What's the float on Anna? Does anybody know? You know, because it has an interesting name. It's a halted SPAC. When these things start halting, they can do some crazy things. It's called a Swift Mare, guys. Swift Mare acquisition. This thing has crazy names. It's a Swift Mare. So like, is that when like Taylor Swift is sleeping and then she has a nightmare? And then the ticker symbol is Anna? Huh. Interesting. 1.5 million? That doesn't. Let me take a look. Yeah, it because that seems way too big. That's a Swift Mare. That seems way too big. So usually what happens though, buddy, is you have the face value like floats for a SPAC. Um, but then since like a lot of shares are locked because it's a SPAC, that's not the actual float. Um, so that's what I'm saying. Like that seems usually it's like that, but it's not like that. If that makes any sense. It does, right? Yeah, perfect. Good. Good, good, good. Must be assigned to run. Let's go. I mean, let's see what happens when it gets unhalted. Okay, I'm gonna set an alert for when it gets unhalted, guys. I'm gonna move that alert a little bit higher. Okay. Let's see what happens when it gets unhalted here, Anna. So keep it on watch. See what happens. A bit of resistance at 35 cents, obviously. Below 35 cents for TNXP. And yeah. And then WKEY is still trying to curl into that supply zone. Absolutely, yeah. Suitcase, if you don't like it, I'll take the bottles. Yeah, come join us for a month. If you don't like it, then just cancel. Right, Suitcase? Let's go, Virus. I want to go see these gains. Come on now. Oh, okay. You were responding. Okay. Oh, that's nice. Very nice. EVGO. I like it. Yeah, because you're still getting slapped on NMHI anyways. Slapped for free. That is that line. Yep, it is. Come on now, something go go go, guys. It's Christmas. Something needs to cook. Come on. Doo-doo-doo. Something needs to cook. Anna's still halted, guys. I don't know what Anna's halted doing, but it's still halted. Yeah, Bitcoin is double topping on 106 Tesh. Looks nice though. Looks nice. Tesh, your price target for end of the year is 125 or something like that. That's a lot of money, Tesh. I don't know if you're gonna get that. I hope you do, but I don't know if you're gonna get that though. Playboy is still, not sure what it wants to do. It just needs to thrust. 127. WKEY just hit new highs there, guys. Nice pop. That was a good curl. Uh, yeah. Is that what it's saying, Paul? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So there goes 13. There goes $13 for WKEY. Boom skis. I hope you're still in this thing, Grim. Nice poppies. Xmas ham or turkey? Is chicken an option? Be okay? I'm just saying, just saying. So yeah, $13 for a WKEY. So if you're still holding this, congratulations. So that looks really good. That looks good. You are? Should have bought some more, Grim. No, that's okay. Congratulations. That looks very nice. That looks very, very nice. You bought the dip? Yeah, I'm glad you did actually, because that one should be what. I think SIDU has a catalyst coming up, right, guys? SIDU has a catalyst coming up, so that might be somewhat of a swing play too at some point. A catalyst, the catalyst. Let me see. SIDU. Yeah, I like it. I like it very much. Congratulations, D. $2, Grim. Yeah, I like it. So if they have a catalyst coming up, then we keep watching SIDU, right? So maybe it's gonna keep creeping up as the week goes on, right? Very good. Congratulations, D. Well done. SPY with a dip, Bitcoin with an inverse reaction. I like this. I like this whole inverse thing. Bitcoin goes up, SPY goes down, balance everything out. Blah 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 blah. Anna still halted, guys. Come on, Anna. We need you unhalted, not halting. Senses at the highs of the day. Beautiful. That was a really good play. Um, very very good play, Raven. And thrust. Bill, you bought 11,000 shares at 22 last week and out. Let's go. Congratulations. Well done. High five. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. So they have a space launch on Thursday, Grim. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. I'll join first. Let me go walk this L. Yeah. No suitcase. Yeah, that's okay. Right. You live and you learn. Next time, just put a stop loss. Right. Next time, just put a stop loss, please and thank you. I think the float is 57 56,000. Hmm. Okay. Let's see if we can catch something there. See if we can catch something there. SIDU does look really nice, actually. It's very, very nice. Very, very nice. I like it. I like it. So, yeah, Sensonic, send it to $1, Raven. You sold too early, John? If you made money, that's okay, honestly. If you made money, that's fine. Dang, SIDU is like, you know what, guys? I'm just gonna go. I'm just gonna go. If you're holding SIDU, type in yes in the chat. Type in yes in the chat if you're holding SIDU. That's a nice push. Yes, great. Big monies. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, closer to $2 was nice. That was very, very, very nice. So hopefully it can maintain, and just keep slowly pushing up. That'd be good. King, love it. B Dozer, love it. Archer, let's go. Rolly, congratulations. Then I look at that. D, you've been on fire lately. Keep cooking. Keep cooking. So more than I will. I work today. just don't trade it. Just don't force it, right? Um, just don't force it, please. Alrighty. So, yep, love it. Yeah, that's what trading is supposed to be. You know what I mean? Like, yeah, that's what it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be, one of those things that gives you a different avenue, or like lets you retire earlier, or like just some help. Yeah. La, 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 la. 44 suitcase. That's beautiful. Congratulations. This is your first loss. Mistakes happen. No, absolutely, absolutely. No, no, no. We just like the roast suitcase. We all make mistakes for sure. So just know that it's all love always. Uh, Second swing into the open. Love it, King. Yeah. Somehow BlackBerry is let's see. There goes new highs of the day, guys. I want to see Bitcoin go from red to green on this daily candle. WeBuy still looks okay. It looks like WeBuy is forming like a triple bottom now at 3150 ish. So if you're playing with WeBuy, guys, just make sure that it stays above. Uh, Alrighty, just make sure just if you're playing with this, just make sure it stays above that level, and then you obviously have that resistance at 3450 that it needs to break above. Alrighty, Anna has been halting for a long time. I don't know what it's waiting for. Maybe it's waiting to be delisted or something. I hate when stocks are halted that long because yeah. John, yeah, no, don't worry. I think everybody in the chat is holding something Bitcoin related. Everybody in the chat is holding something related, whether that's Bitcoin itself, or like IBIT or BITO, CONY, Riot, Mara. That's why we really don't talk about these names anymore, because if you look at Discord, everybody is holding something Bitcoin related. NVDA, otherwise Vaseline, yeah. Yeah, is now on QQQ. Yeah, there you go. Right, so that's really going to help as well. Did you guys hear that? Oh, I feel like Varys is gonna love that. Varys is gonna love that. There goes Anna, guys. Anna is cooking. Anna just halted up again. Actually, no, it's not halted. I'm surprised they haven't halted it. And it's about to, I think it should be halted now, actually. Yeah, it's halted up now, guys. Did anybody manage to catch an entry? Yeah, the float is 56,000, so that's why we wanted to watch this, right? in a second fall, whoop, zero. Oh, that guy was funny. Yeah, so 1870, it's halted. Anybody managed to get in? You did, suitcase? Nice. Very well done. And stock wise trend and they nosotros not really. Usually it's by the time you follow them it's too late, right? SIDU is looking nice, very nice. SIDU, congratulations on this one, guys. That's a very nice push. So again, you can see a supply zone there, so maybe just be a bit cautious if you're not in a position already, right? But that thing looks very nice, and it has a catalyst coming up. So I bet you everybody's looking at this and saying, I wonder what could happen here. I wonder what could happen here. Yeah, you want to make sure that when you get into something, it's not just because Warren Buffett got in, because those dudes will rob you, take your underwear with them. TNSP still looks okay. It bounced up the 50, so that's good. Bitcoin looks very nice. The S&P, on the other hand, though, doesn't look like it wants to close the day green. It looks like it's going to go from green to red. That thing looks nasty, right? Bitcoin, though, Bitcoin is about to make... Actually, no, Bitcoin just made brand new... No, never mind. Ignore that. Still the same 24-hour candle, so not quite all-time highs yet. And then Anna obviously is halted up, right? We had to watch Anna, right? It's called Anna, and then the name is Swiftmare. So all the Swifties are going to be in the stock too. Yeah, of course. I like it, Grim. Yeah, exactly, right? Even if there is a catalyst on Thursday, you can secure monies today, secure the monies. Secure the monies. Ah, interesting. Very, very interesting. Okay. Oh, okay. I like it. But what happened to the music? Oh, it's because someone called me. I kind of, like I have a pet peeve. I hate when people call me like when I'm on stream. It's just like a just not a big deal, but yeah. Uh, yeah. I mean, if you kept it, Willie, you'd be very happy right now. Very happy. Why? Because everybody's making money's Grim. Monies. Yeah, so nice little profit taking though. At supply there, Grim. Very nice. Playboy still looks okay. Like it just needs to break out. BBAI looks interesting there. WKEY looks like it's trying to curl again off a higher low, and then TNXP still looks nice. uh, yeah, random stuff. Yeah, yeah. That's you can look at SIDU as an example. Wasn't SMX getting delisted or something? Speech. There goes TNXP. Today. There we go. Ayo, Josh. Ayo. Do you still have a lot of family over, Josh? I bet you do. For the entire month, right? Yeah. So yeah, let's see again. Congratulations on TNXP, guys. Right. Your next resistance is right below 35 cents, so just be mindful. And there goes Playboy. Playboy is like, I want to play too. There goes that 190 resistance we were talking about. So let's see if it can break above. You're enjoying the holiday though, Josh? And Josh is obviously enjoying. Oh my goodness, I just said thanks. Let me pop. But Bitcoin again. Bitcoin looks really nice. So $100 away from all-time highs. Did Anna just on halt and drop and halt down? I think it hit 19 and then halted down. It's crazy. Yeah, it's halted down now, Column. Yep, crazy, crazy. Virus, I have no idea. I have no idea. I woke up this morning, War Machine, and you said something, and I just started laughing. Um, you said something about like AMC, AMC. I think it was you and Grim having a conversation, and then you said something about AMC. Oh, it was a gif of like some dude laying, the monkey laying in bed with like dying, and then you said something about AMC. I just started dying. Yeah. Oh, come on, BTC. You can do it. Give us new all-time highs. Uh, yeah, exactly, Willie. But what did you do with your Bitcoin, though? What did you do with it? Is my question. uh, you're making a comeback. Love it. Love it. Love it. Come on, Spy. You can do it. Get back to the highs of the day. TNXP is looking okay, though. Still, again, resistance. The Playboy pump. I know, right? Troy? That's what people want to watch. They want to watch the sus. Anyways. Anyways. Who are we to judge Virus's content? I'm kidding, Virus. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Here goes TNXP, guys. Looking good. La, 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 la. Did our ACHR ever break out for you, Yogi? uh, anyways, yeah, Playboy is hitting brand new highs of the day. That looks nice. Again, super slow though, but it's still 36%, so it's not bad, right? Not bad at all. BlackBerry to the moon. For some reason, Dennis, I don't think it's going to the moon. I think it's up like another 2 cents, to a million. I hope so, Dennis. That would be nice. That would be very nice. QUBT. BBAI. It depends on the entry. Entry. Yeah. William, we go at night. Seriously, Virus. Seriously. Needs to stop slacking. That's what it needs to do. How is that possible? Very interesting. Very, very interesting. Hmm. Is that what? All-time high BS? Yep. It's going to be like that. Oh, yeah, there it goes. Yeah, there goes a SPY coming back to almost to the highs of the day again. Oh, my goodness, guys. Let's go. Santa's in the chats, guys. Santa Josh is in the chats with all the memberships, guys. Josh, thank you very much. My goodness. The man cannot be stopped, virus. He cannot be stopped. Let's go. Josh, thank you very much. Thank you, thank you. Good morning, Santa. Let's go. Like you get a membership, you get a membership, you get a membership. TNXP is looking good. If you're still holding TNXP, type in yes in the chat. Let's go. He cannot be stopped, guys. Everybody in the chats gets a membership. Thank you, Josh. Thank you. There goes 36 cents incoming. Again, if you're still holding this, yeah, Stifler, you're still in there? Okay. Eric, you're still in? Sounds good. Well done. Well done, well done. You sold that 35, King? That's not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad. Yeah, just make sure you don't diamond handed those Stifler and then it sends it to the abyss, right? Yeah, scale out on the way up instead of buying all the dips. I know, virus. I know. Even Willie got gifted a membership because Willie's been spamming the chats, you know? Like, you know what, Willie? Yeah, there goes 36. TNSP looks nice. Again, congratulations on this one. That was a good breakout. That was a good breakout. Yeah, King, exactly. Exactly. Love it. So yeah, just make sure you move your stop losses up on this thing, alrighty? On TNXP. The S&P just made brand new highs today. Isn't that interesting? Like the markets, Bitcoin goes down, the market cooks. Right? The markets cook. I like it. Kind of don't like how that thing performs, actually. Ayo, Nero. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Yeah, looks like maybe SPY is hitting a double top there, actually. Bit of resistance. Anna's still halted. And TNXP for now is the one that's cooking. It's not up to me. It's up to YouTube to decide who deserves one. You know, based on the level of like how long they've been supporting. Ooh, TNXP. That looks nice. Can, uh, go 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 go. 238. Let me take a look. Oof, that thing's gonna go for 40 cents, isn't it? Yeah, that's not good enough. Daily goal, let's go 1.25. Congratulations. Thank you, Josh. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you. Oh, interesting. Okay. At the same time, Santi, let's go. Sky, hello. Hello, hello. Yeah, so just make sure you're paying yourself on the way up, please. Alrighty. Pretty please. And then Spy is oh wow, no, Spy broke 607. That thing said I have decided to thrust. Come on, Nero, come join us in Discord. Come join us. Seriously, virus. Yeah, so again, if you're not a member yet, guys, and you want to join us or you want to take advantage of the free memberships and upgrade, Click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot and come join us. Alrighty, come join us. Come join us. Okay. Uh, 9%. Mm, 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 mm. Do, 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 do. Kind of don't like the rest of those. Go, 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 go. Okay. $37.50, $375. That's not bad at all. Congratulations. Yeah, that's pretty good. I like that you move your stop loss up next gen, right? Don't just let your money disappear, you know? Don't just sit there and watch your money go boom skis to the abyss. So well done. Well done. About this family that stands alone. Bring your friends and bring your family. Let's all prosper together. Remember that rising tides lift all boats. Let's go, hot trades. Let's go, Josh. Thank you very much. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah, bring your friends and family, guys. Ready? Bring your friends and family. This is a good time for everybody to learn about the markets, learn about stuff. So yeah. Yeah, and then they can get a free membership from Josh and watch a lot of educational videos. Ready? Is winning by breaking Wall Street's rules. Avoid the stock, it said. Avoid the stock. Interesting. Ah, very interesting. I mean, it's getting added to the NASDAQ, so they're obviously not avoiding the stock. Let's go. I like it. Yeah. So that's what you're trading with, Archer. I like it a lot. Right. So the seasonality chart for the market seems to be helping a lot of people actually. Right. So if you look at December, guys, right, we dip into the middle of the month and then we push into the end of the month, right? So usually the last 2 weeks of the month are usually the best, you know, like December, usually really good for the markets. And then we usually start the year off really strong too. And then, we start to sell off. But you notice how like we start like look at that, right? Look at the seasonality chart, right? We sell off at some point in December and then we cook. And then we start the year off strong, but then we see a lot of weakness, right? In like, January, February, March, April maybe, and then we start to slowly cook, right? So we might cook now, and then at some point when the new year starts, we start to see a lot of blood in the market. So just keep that in mind. Alrighty. What a Santos Nelson stream. Unbelievable. I had nothing to say. Nothing. Of accounting errors as well, really? Interesting. Yeah. I think all we know is they're buying BTC and BTC is going up, so yeah. Let's go, wizard. Let's go, let's go. Yeah, I don't know. Seasonality. There goes SIDU, guys. That's a pretty nice dip and a bounce. So clearly this thing has, coming back power, right? It has the ability to dip and come back. Tony says, I made my goal. I'm done for the day. You all have a great day. Stay green. Let's go, Tony. Well done. Congratulations. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Alrighty? Catch you in Discord. I like it, guys. Look at this. People are just making their goals and then being done for the day. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. Perfect. Tesla's at 449. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Crazy. Again, don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you haven't already. I would really appreciate that already. Smash the like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat from Nightbot and come join us in Discord. Alrighty. So again, smash the like if you haven't already. Let's get to 100 likes, guys. 100. Okay, I don't like any of these. These. Okay, there we go. 1 second. No thanks. I just want to see what Invesco. See, that's not even a Canadian thing. A Canadian thing. That's stupid. Okay. Take a look at this again. $33. 1 second, guys. Yeah, that thing's halted for very long. Good morning, Rachel. Ayo. Good morning, good morning. Hopefully you're enjoying the holidays. Hopefully. Free advice. Let's go. There you go. Yeah. TNXP looks like it's just a matter of time before it breaks again, doesn't it? Has that vibe. There we go. Resistance. Yeah. No, SIDU looks really good. There goes brand new highs of the day for SIDU. So yeah, if that's something you're holding longer, you're swinging a bit maybe, then that's perfect. That's okay. Let's just do that for now. Good day, Sly. Ayo, ayo. Move from one penny stock. I like it. Isn't that the one King is loading? Or was that you? Second. Okay, there we go. Yeah, TNXP looks like there's a lot of resistance below 39. Lots of it. Bitcoin still looks good, guys. Looks like it wants to break out. Did someone tag me somewhere? This is Josh. Chris. uh, Josh, what are you doing there? What are you doing? Yeah, let me look at the other picture. Oh, that's amazing. Everybody has like a little Christmas thing. That's very cool, Josh. That's what the holidays are about, you know. That's funny. Yeah. No, SIDU can't seem to break out yet. La, 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 la. By 2032, will he? Probably. There goes that TNXP. This is the 1 minute will Sly. Varys, no thank you. There it goes. Boom. TNXP said, let me cook, guys. Let me cook. Oof. That thing said, let me cook, please. Uh, yeah, no, if you're still holding this, congratulations. Congratulations. 'Levels. 41. Cook. Cook, cook, cook. It doesn't look like the money's going anywhere yet, Raven. Let it cook, ST. 42. Beautiful. Beautiful. If you're still holding TNXP, type in yes in the chat. Andrew, yeah? The stop loss got you after. Dang. Where was your stop loss? Average daily volume generation Z? Yeah, but see, my problem with that is, okay, BlackBerry is like looking good today, right? I think the last time we looked at this, let me zoom out again and look at the daily. It does look good though, like it's up 18%, right? Super slow because it has a big float. They have earnings in 3 days according to TradingView, but yeah, I don't want to zoom out, so I'll leave the problem aside. But it looks good in a small time frame, right? So and it's slow and steady. Dang it, Andrew. Dang it. That's pretty frustrating. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, that's pretty frustrating. Sometimes these candles don't need to dip like that, for no reason. which is annoying. So usually the good thing is, or yeah, that's quite annoying actually. But yeah, exactly. Next gen, you made money. No need to. I know, no regrets for no reason, Andrew. For no reason. No reason. Yeah. What did you get into BlackBerry ad? Let me know. What did you get into BlackBerry ad? Andrew, that's good. As long as you made money, that's all that matters. And then SIDU failed that supply zone, guys. Anna looks like it's Dunsky's, right? So looks like it was a pump and dump on this thing. Like we said, you just with names like this, you just have to get in and out really quickly. Like you have to get in and out really quickly, because that stuff like as soon as it halts down, everybody panics. Right? TNXP 43 cents. 43.50. The penny stock volume is coming in. Really good volume though. Right? Average volume in this thing is 52 million. You're sitting at like 310 million now, so that's good. 310 million. Again, penny stock expected, but let's go, Josh. Oh, don't worry, it's gonna become a vibe. You know? Yeah. 34. You might get that 45 cents. Yeah, they had news earlier today, Sly. They had some news earlier today. Uh, there you go, crypto. Let's go. Congratulations. Oh, Anna bounced a little bit after that on haul. Interesting. A bit of a bounce. Uh, Kelvin, when's a good time to get into XRP? You missed all those dips. All those dips, Kelvin. All those dips, you missed it. There's a lot of talk about the XRP ETF coming at the first quarter of next year. So I'm sure that's going to cause a little bit of hype too. But I'd rather be buying the dip skis than, you know. So I need to look at the chart though, because I'm not sure what it looks like. Uh, no, no, no. No, 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 no. There's a bit of hype to Grim on RR. I'll take a look. Yeah. Oh, there you go. There you go, Willie. Interesting how you're posting that in the chat. Anyways, yeah, a little bit of hype on this one. 18%. I think that thing's been pushing though. That thing's been pushing. Hmm. Yeah. I mean, let's see if that thing can break $1 and actually stay above $1, Grim, and then we'll go from there. It has a great chance to be a real company. Yeah. AI, robotics, stuff like that, stuff like that always has a bit of a chance. Magic. There you go. Hmm. What's the X date for CONY again, guys? Does anybody know without me having to look? Should be. It's really easy to find, but I just don't want to pull it up. WQ looks like it curled again of the demand zone, so that's a double bottom of $11. Huh, interesting. W key. Oof, look at the size of that candle, guys. The markets just want to cook. Uh, yeah, yeah. Perfect. I'll take a look. Let me take a look at this. So 102% declaration record. Oh yeah, you just missed it. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, was December 12th. Yeah, I forgot about that for some reason, Mark. Yeah, that was yeah. So the next one is thank you, Yogi. Thank you. Do. So Renel says, can you take a look at Zena? You bought it last week for a swing in at 710. It seems to be moving late nicely today. Yeah, absolutely. Let me take a look. Zena, very nice. Congratulations. I like it. I like it. I like it. See, the only thing is that it's in the supply zone, but I like that it broke above the high from Friday and Thursday. That's a really good thing, right? So I like that a lot. So that's a really good trade for you there. Good job. The only other thing now you can do is maybe just set a stop loss somewhere. Let me look at a 15-minute time frame. Maybe that'll give you a level to set a stop loss. Maybe like the low of the day for this thing. I don't think you want that anymore, right? Like I was saying though, what I do like is that it's breaking this high from Thursday and then this high from Friday. So like right across, right there, right? To me, that's a really good thing. That means it might have that momentum. And then your next level, you could just honestly watch $8, 805, because that's the high from pre-market high on Thursday, right? So you could watch that as your next resistance, and then if it breaks above that, you can just sit back and smile and say, and what, and thrust, and then just move your stop loss up, right? Whether that's 750, 760, something, like just move the stop loss up and hope that it keeps going up. But that was a really good entry for you, though. Congratulations. Congratulations. TK, 180. Isn't that crazy, TK? Yeah, I know, right, Mark? I know. Too many dates to remember. Yeah, Tesla is a beauty. No, Ronel, well done. Congratulations. Options are happy. Yeah, you're loving it. No, good, good. AVGO has been a monster. Time to scale in long. Romo. SIDU does look nice, so I hope it keeps going for sure, for sure. Uh, TN. And then yeah, SIDU. But again, obviously, as you can see, though, there's a lot of resistance up there. Xena looks like it's yeah, right below $8 there. And then TNXP is trying to curl. Curl, 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 please and thank you. There you go. A new egg, Andrew? Okay. There goes 42.50, guys. Nice pop. You're back in at 39. Oh, okay, good, 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 good. You're getting some of your money back. So now you're not necessarily, your stop loss. You've gained 2 cents back from your stop loss. 3 cents. You made a lot of it back. I like it a lot. Well done. So you could just scalp it at this point, Andrew. Just take 2 cents here, 3 cents there, and you're gonna be happy. The weak hands, William. Dude. Oh, there's Pablo. Come on, Pablo. Pablo, we were watching that Spacky Spack Anna. To say hello. Still in first place. You see this, Dan? I'm cooking. Cooking. Pablo's gonna be last place. Pablo's never gonna catch me in fantasy again. You can blame Dan for this, for roasting me. In last place, but it's 84 degrees here in Punta Cana. Yeah, no, it's not. It's cold here. Yeah, Will, that's the question, right? So I think what we mentioned was what, 30 cents ish, 30 cents ish. We buy. No, we buy. Sorry, BURU. I was like, wait, why is it up that much already? Right? If it can stay above, like if it can stay above 30 cents here, then maybe there's something there. Something there. The low of the day is 29 cents. When did it get to 29 cents then? That might have been the spot. Missed it. Missed it. Missed it. Yeah, we'll keep an eye on it. Spy and Bitcoin are both hitting resistance. And then supply zone again for TNXP here. Did you sell it, Andrew? You taking a break, Grim? Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. See you soon, Grim. See you soon. Okay. Perfect. Come on, go, 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 go. Go up, go up, go up. Not yet? Okay. 5 more likes and we make it to 100, guys. 5 more. So if you haven't smashed a like yet, Um, yeah. No, Paul, that's a good spot. It's resistance anyways, right? So there's nothing wrong with that. 550 to 560 is resistance for SIDU. Did I say 5? No, 252. Go, go, go. Joe. Yeah. Have you been like, what are you doing? Like long or shorts? Or both? Futures. Okay. Nice. Readable? Yeah. I agree. Yes, please. Yes, please. I think we have like 30 more minutes and then I have to go do one-on-ones. One-on-ones. Yeah, TNXP is failing on that in that supply zone and failing on the downtrend there. So you have some support at 38 cents now. So let's see if we can stay above. Or just stay above 40 cents. That's cool too. But it looks like it's coming back down, right? For this present, John, I need 350 for that one. Let's go. That's the only way to do it. That's amazing, Dan. Oh, funny. Funny. Speaking of which, I need to order some protein stuff. Uh, it's like I wanted to do that yesterday, but I forgot. Because at the store they sell it for $75. On Amazon it's $45. Are you kidding me? Really? Are you kidding? What the hell? Are you kidding me? Okay. Is that the right one? I think so. I think so. Just looking to make sure. Pullbacks? Trying to guess the top? Yeah, exactly. The entire list is done. List. Okay. I'm gonna order 2 of those. Amazon overnight delivery or 1 day delivery? Do I want it at 4 a.m. in the morning? I mean, I don't really care, so. Don't really care. Tomorrow's Tuesday anyways. So it doesn't really matter, does it? It does not. When does that deliver though? I'm just gonna do fastest delivery. I'm not paying for it anyways. Okay, perfect. Here we go. Everybody's shopping and trading. Yep. Bitcoin just made brand new all-time highs, guys. Oof. Bitcoin says protein powder. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I Yeah, no, I like this one better. I'm not a fan of protein. I don't really do the protein, but this one had like a double. This is what it did. Botanica. What is it called again? Protein. Uh, this one. Waiting for it to load. This is not the right one. That's not it. This one. I like the turmeric one. It has like some really good qualities, you know. Yeah, this one. Doo, doo. So for anybody that's interested in some protein, eggs are the best. No, I just like that it has other stuff in there. So that has like turmeric, and then it has that leaf. What is it called again? It has ginger, and then moringa. So turmeric, moringa, and and coconuts, and some, yeah, so a little bit more than just protein, which is good. Bitcoin just had that fat green candle, and then it got erased, but it made brand new all-time highs though. No, 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 no. Yeah, no, that best homemade protein. Never buy powder. Is it not good for you? No, I just like Paul. I like the other stuff that's in it. I like the other stuff that's in it. That's all. Yeah. Uh, uh, Unbelievable, Dan. So judgy. No. Yeah. That has other benefits. So otherwise, I don't really do protein. If you see these muscles, Dan, you know that like these muscles don't need protein. They just need some chicken. I like to eat like food instead than like get supplements. But sometimes when there's stuff that I don't usually have, you know, like I don't always have turmeric, but I know it's good for you, or like meringue, stuff like that. Like, okay, you know what? Yeah. If not, like I'd rather just eat like, yeah, like, yeah, exactly. I'd rather eat food that has the meat and the eggs and the stuff. Yeah. Let me take a look. AHG. You got in at $1.29. Yeah, looks good. Yeah, your entry was all the way down there, so it's already going into the supply zone here. So that looks good. Daily chart looks like it ran all the way to 177. Dang. But then, yeah, yeah, I think you're looking at 150 honestly, and then 180 after that. But it does look really good though, especially for your entry now. For a brand new position, though, not necessarily, but for your entry, yeah, 150 and then 180. It looks good. Uh, why is the stream always acting up now? What's the glitch for? Yeah, you're not wrong, Mike. No, there's enough turmeric in there though. No, I promise, because I've had it. I promise, pinky promise. There's more than enough in there. Ooh, SIDU just destroyed Paul. Paul, I hope you move that stop loss, because that thing just said, "Excuse me, Paul, you want to short this?" Damn, SIDU. Oh my days. Yup, 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 yup. Yeah. I hope you move that stop loss, Paul, because this again, these guys have a catalyst coming up on Thursday, so people just keep buying the dips. People keep buying the dips. Buy the hype, sell the news. So it's not just a pump and dump name; they actually have something. 108.55, Lorenda. Okay, I like it. Send it. Oof. King, you made $1,000 in that. Well done. Well done. Congratulations. By the way, Misty declaration date is December 18. Dividend. For those interested. Okay, sounds good. December 18. Pump it. You did, Chris. 46 to 85. Well done. Yeah. Lock in the gains. Move on, right? Lock in the monies and move on. That's interesting. Very, very interesting, actually. Okay. XRP is moving. Yep. All most crypto. Everything just wants to cook. Everything wants to cook. Josh is just smiling, So is Lorenda. Just smiling as they watch the Bitcoin gains, crypto gains. You know it's not performing yet, Lorenda? Pepe. Pepe is just sitting there and watching. No, I would keep. We shouldn't move on from a. No, I would just keep scalping it, right? Because it has the trend, but I wouldn't go diamond hunting it because they have a catalyst bill. Because that's how people end up getting in trouble, you know. So that 38-ish cents is still holding for TNXP. So Andrew, hopefully, you can stay above. Hopefully, um, I believe it has a 10x in it. Lorenda, send it, Pepe, send it. Uh, yeah, I don't like it below $5, Bill. If it goes below the IPO price, I don't touch. Unless it really crashes and consolidates, and then maybe. If it was sitting above $5, that's a different story. Tesla is just a monster at this point. Just crazy. So SoftBank CEO hopes Trump will bring world to peace again. SoftBank CEO says his confidence level in the US has tremendously increased. Interesting. Yeah. Yep. 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 So it looks like you guys are getting some monies. $100 million investment in the States. Thanks to Trump, I guess. Anyways, let's go back to SIDU. SIDU just tapped brand new highs of the day, so $3, and then came back down. So that's looking hot. Hot, guys. Hot. That looks nice. So again, congratulations if you're holding this already. If you're holding SIDU, if you scalped this thing at all today, type in yes in the chat. I hope more of you guys have scalped it. And I hope more of you guys continue to watch it because, again, of that, yeah. Pepe, yeah, Pepe Bill. You have 1,200 shares of Pepe? No, I don't. I think no. I think that'd be something else. You're scalping a D, like it. 5 times, all green. Love it, Archer. Love it. Eric, yes. Samuel, yes. Good. I know there's more of you guys, but yeah. 3 out of 4. Goal met. Scalped SIDU 3 times. Come on, Jack. Give me a high five. Oh, 1,200 shares. What's your entry price, Bill? It has to be green, and your stop loss better be in the Bill. Otherwise, I'm going to send Will after you. 243 to 292. Come on, Doja. Give me a high five. Love it. So I like it. Yeah. Let me take a look at it. Let me see. So, 1 second. La, la, la. Okay. There you go. $2.30. Where's your stop loss at though? Where's your stop loss? You're up a few $100s, you know? Where's your stop loss, Bill? Don't make me find you, because I know you're already asking, like, is this a swing? No. Yes or no, right? It's a swing as long as your stop loss doesn't hit. Anytime you guys are asking me for a swing, guys, like, people will ask me in the morning, hey, Blaze, like, is this stock a swing? Like, yeah, that's the intention. The intention is to swing the stock as long as you stay green. Like, if I bought a stock at $2.30, right? Yes, I want to swing the stock, but I'm not just going to leave a few $100s on the table to sit there, because I want to swing it, right? If my stop loss doesn't hit at 240, 250, 260, wherever that is, okay, then yeah, I'm going to swing the play. Or it hits my stop loss, and then at the end of the day it dips, and then I buy cheaper, or I buy higher, but I see that the price action is good, right? Not just going to let the monies just sit there and disappear because I want to swing it up. Right? Your goal is to make money, not to swing stocks, right? So if you make the money today, well, amazing, you made the money today, right? You can come back tomorrow and make the money again. So a lot of people regret the money that they could have potentially made. That's not the goal. The goal is to consistently make money every day. Uh, can do high, all the 2.5s. Unbelievable. All because of this group. If you're not a member, you're missing out. Seriously, Jack. Right? If you're not a member yet, guys, you're missing out. So come join us. Yeah, and then honestly, you can always get back in again, right? It hits, you look for a brand new position. There you go. Perfect. If you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat, guys. Come join us in Discord because you are missing out. Come join us. Let's go, William. Teamwork. Yeah, no, because I get that question too often, especially when it's still early in the morning. Someone will send me a DM saying, hey, like, you think I should swing the stock? I'm like, do you realize it's like the market's been open for 30 minutes? Like, how are you planning on swinging a stock when there's 6 hours left and then there's after hours, right? Like, there's still so much action left that you need to watch all of that action. And then if your stop doesn't hit, then okay, right? Same thing at the end of the day, guys. When we post a swing, right? In like into the close, you still have to watch the close with the stop loss. You still have to watch after hours. And then if all of that is okay, and then you swing it, right? You don't just risk your money for no reason. Like if we say a stock is a swing, but then it starts to break down and it's not performing after hours, get rid of the trash. Unless it's holding support, then that's fine. Send a new solution. Send it. Send it. Tesla, nice. Has a bunch of herbs. uh, Unbelievable, Dan. Leave my protein powder alone. It's good for you. Good for you. You know? You should try it, Dan. Try it. 20 grams of protein, and then inflammation stuff, and then you know you should try it. Good for you. QUBT still looking okay. TNXP, yeah, that thing's just going back and forth now. It actually popped again, Andrew, right? To almost 42 and then came back down. Like it's just going back and forth, back and forth. And there goes a drop, right? Too much supply there. Exactly, Archer, exactly. No, I know that. I know. I know. I know. I know. And there goes the breakdown. Right? So it looks like that exit was in that supply zone 3 times. Come on, BTC. When 107, guys. You guys believe we were looking at Bitcoin for the longest time? I mean, crazy, crazy, crazy. I want to go look at my IBIT. That's something I haven't looked at today. Uh, charging. Okay, charging. What if I do that? Okay. Very green on the day. No, good, Andrew. Good, good, good. Yeah, I wish you moved that stop loss like right below 40 cents though. You're back, Christo? You're back? You're home now? Let's go. Welcome back. You're back on a day that Bitcoin is cooking, by the way. So I'm sure your vacation was good. Uh, There you go. 3% Sui. Yeah, a lot of people like Sui. A lot of people like Sui. Let's go, Leo. Where have you been, Leo? Where have you been? Where have you been? Sui. What's TNXP doing? Still dipping? Yeah, I think we might have scalped the rubbish out of the markets, guys. Did you end up selling AHG? That was a good run. I think we scalp all the monies out of it, guys. We have like 10 minutes left and then I have to go do one and ones, but yeah. And then SIDU. Yeah. That was SIDU. I mean, you're seeing resistance. So there's a lot of resistance right below $3, random stuff already. So if it can break above that level, then it looks even better. Mm, wait, what? Okay, so there's one there. Interesting. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, no, yeah. I'm sure they're gonna be back someday. I think they just maybe not like properly planned, maybe stuff like that, Yogi. Monday, tomorrow, Monday. Wait, what? Hmm. Okay. Oh, that's stupid. That is very stupid. Whatever. Oh, Mike. Mike. Let's go, Mikey. Mike is like, for Christmas, I want to be a member. Let's go, Mike. Finally. Shazar, welcome as well. Let's go, Mike. Finally. Mike is from the same city, by the way. Mike lives in the city that I live, so he's not liking the weather. Uh, but anyways, welcome, Mike. And then Shazar, I think you're yeah. So Mike and Shazar, yeah, it doesn't let me do the invite link anymore. That's so stupid. What the hell is going on? Uh, Let me just edit that. Generate link. Still not letting me do it. What the hell? Is it because like I'm on stream mode maybe? I hope so. Yeah, it is. Doesn't let me it doesn't let me share links. Yeah. So so that's Mike for the delay. All systems go now. Let's go, Mike. SIDU looking good. Push. So that stop loss never hit, right? Bill, perfect. So Shazar and Mike, these are your invite links at the bottom of the chat. So click the link at the bottom of the chat and then follow the steps in the Getting Started channel. And then that's going to connect you. Uh, what do you mean, Jericho? What do you mean? Ooh, BTC wants to cook. New highs, new all-time highs, guys. New all-time highs. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Yeah, again, if you're not a member yet, guys, you're missing out. Come join us. The 51st state archer, leave us alone. We want to be number one. XRP. XRP does look nice. Yeah, looks very nice. Move my stop loss up after what you said about making money every day on a swing. Yeah, exactly, Bill. Right? Exactly. So you're still in there though, right? But you move the stop loss up, right? Yeah. So that's exactly what I would do, right? Not too aggressive with the stop, but you're giving it room, right? To say if it wants to dip, okay, well, dip then. But let me take my money out first, and then watch from the outside and see if I want to come back in, right? Because what you might do is you might create like nice little 10-cent opportunities, right? Instead of you getting in at like 230 and then watching it go from $3 back to 370, your stop loss hit at okay, you did? Okay. Yeah, because I know your stop loss was at 75. So it looks like, yeah, you moved it up a little bit more. That's fine. As long as you make money, that's perfect. Let's go. Yeah, so click the link at the bottom there, Mike and Shazar, and then okay, yeah, Jericho, yeah, okay, sounds good. Yeah, reschedule. Yeah, reschedule, and then we shall go from there. I need to go back and remute my Discord. Woof! That thing said, "Let me cook. Let me cook." That thing said, "Bill, we'll see you on the other side." But for now, let me cook. Mm, just in President-elect Trump will keep promise to pass historic tax cuts. Dang, that's nice. Sounds good. Get the slap, Archer. Another one. There you go, Doche. Beautiful. Love it. Has earnings report later today. Any predictions? No, that's a gamble. TM, complete gamble. A complete 100 million% gamble, if that makes any sense. Oof, SIDU is like, let me cook, guys. Let me cook, right? So again, I am happy more people are playing this thing because they actually do have a catalyst, right? And it's not just a today catalyst, it's a Thursday catalyst. So, uh, okay, sounds good. Uh, using regular, la, 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 la. So they have an S1 open. Yeah, see, that's what I mean. Coming soon. That's what I mean, right? So again, when there's an open S1, Nikolai, it doesn't mean you have to stay away from the stock, right? You just have to be mindful of the swing play because they could do an offering overnight at any point, right? Like, yeah. Ooh, is it a good buy now, Shazar? You missed it. You missed it. That thing is at the highs of the day, right? It looks amazing. Is it a good buy? The answer is not no, right? But the question is like risk reward. Is it worth it for you to buy at the highs of the day when it's hitting a supply zone close to 350? No. Uh, Yeah. So when you see an open S1, guys, it doesn't mean you have to stay away from the stock, right? Usually, what the company's intention is to let's pump the stock up first and then do an offering at some point, right? So, and usually those offerings, usually, sometimes they come in the middle of the day, but usually they let the stock pump all day and then they slap you in after hours, right? So yeah. So when you see that, it doesn't mean you have to ignore the stock and not trade it because you're like, oh, they're going to do an offering. Because you end up missing out on opportunities, especially when there's a catalyst like this one, right? If it's a usual like pump and dump name, then maybe not. I think at some point SIDU is going to do an offering, right? At some point you're going to be like SIDU just did an offering, right? That's why I also keep saying like, hey, you don't need to swing this stuff, right? They have a catalyst coming, scalp it, scalp it, scalp it. And if it's still pumping, maybe stay in there. But if you don't feel safe, get the hell out, right? How do you still have monies in there, Leo? No more diamond hands. I do. I remember. All-time highs on Bitcoin. Ooh, we look at that, guys. BTC is just cooking. Bitcoin says today, guys. You know what? I'm gonna give Lorenda what she wants and give her 108. Look at that thing go, guys. Just go, 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 go. And I think I missed it on the 12. No, Patricia. Your one-on-one is today, at 1 o'clock Eastern time. So you have one today as well, right? Today, December 16 at 1 o'clock. Um, Jericho was at 12. Yeah, so you should be fine. BTC looking good. Yeah, so SIDU. So 350 next supplies on there. Dang it. Uh, an offering. Wondering if my dip. Yes, yes. So what an offering is, guys. There's so many different ways to it, like to look up what an offering is. Alrighty, Investopedia is one of my favorite websites to look at. What I'm just pulling this up so you can see what it means, right? So, what is a stock offering? Um, So what it might do is they might explain like what an IPO is, but I don't really care for an IPO. Okay. So this is Investopedia. Investopedia has um, okay, so let's ignore this part because this part references the IPO. I want to see if there's another secondary offering. Is I think is what we should be looking for. Uh, and then I'll explain this so a secondary market offering is a large block of securities offered for public sale that have been previously issued to the public, right? So yeah, yes and no. I guess like uh, maybe this isn't the right explanation that I'm looking for. So think about it this way. So what an offering is, so you have a stock that's trading, right? A stock is trading. So you see someone around the corner, right? And they're like, buy your pizzas over here, buy your pizzas, five pizza, one they're selling five slices of pizza, right? One slice is $1 each. Buy your pizza over here, buy your pizza over here, one slice for $1, buy your pizza over here. And then you're like, oh yeah, let me go buy a slice of pizza, right? You're like, perfect. This person is only selling five slices of pizza, right? This is nice, limited supply, right? High demand, perfect. There's a long line, there's a line of like 10 people standing there. There's 10 people standing in line, 10 people standing in line, five slices of pizza. You know what? I want to buy these pizzas. Then the price starts to go up. You're like, yeah, this person can sell the slices of pizza for $2, $3. Why? Because there's more people wanting to buy this pizza than there are pizza. Again, supply and demand, right? So now all of a sudden, right? As you buy this pizza, right? All of a sudden, you bought this pizza for like, you bought this pizza now because the price of the pizza has gone up because there's more demand, right? Now the pizza is $3. You bought it for $3, and then all of a sudden, the dude just pulls out like, 20 pieces of pizza out of somewhere else. You're like, wait, 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 wait. Now there's only 10 people in line for 20 slices of pizza. Now everybody's like, I don't want to pay $3 anymore. I want to pay $1. Basically, that's what it is. That's the reason why it goes down, because now you have more supply, right? So, but the real explanation of this though is what happens when a company does an offering is they go to those selling shares, right? So now they're adding more supply to the current supply, so they're gonna sell shares, right? So they go to the bank and they're like, hey, Mr. Bank, we want to sell you some shares of our company because the value is going up, right? The stock is pumping. That's when they do offerings, right? So the bank is going to be like, well, you want to sell us your stock for $3.50? Yeah, we're not going to go for that because it's up 150% today. We're not going to pay 150%. How about we pay like $2 instead? Then the company's like, yeah, you know what? You're giving us millions of dollars. We're going to take $2, right? Now, what the market's going to do, the market's going to say, oh, you think you're slick, huh? You're going to sell us these shares for $3.45, and then you're going to sell them to somebody else for $2? Yeah, that's not going to work. We're going to sell our shares too because they're not worth this much, right? And then the stock plummets, right? So that's why offerings are not good, right? Because usually they usually sell those shares for a cheaper price, and they're adding more supply to the current supply, and the stock goes down. And then it can eventually come back, but still. Does that make sense? To the pizza, yeah. SB, yeah. For now, that's the next one that's coming. Exactly, Nikolai. Exactly. Do I think WeBuy is dead? Probably. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. If we haven't talked about it for the last few minutes, probably dead. Yeah. I mean, it's been constantly hitting lows and lows and lows and lows. So the only thing you could look at here maybe is like if it stays above 2850. All right. If it stays above this demand zone, okay, maybe. If it doesn't, it's dead. So 2850 ish. Uh, yeah. Ooh, wee, D. Cocaine. Well done. Love it. RMNI. What is that? Interesting. Approved and will be released on December 17th. Oh, okay, that makes a lot of sense. No, Samuel. Sometimes that kills the stock. But if it's a good company, so offerings are terrible in the short term, right? How short term? Who knows? It might be a week, it might be a month, but in the long run, if it's a good company, it will eventually come back up because maybe the company's taken the cash and they're going to do something good with it, right? Offerings are terrible for the short term, right? But they might be good for the long term, depending on what the company does with the money. Some companies take the money and go to the beach, right? You think the stock is ever going to come back? No, right? But if the company, like, so for example, look at these Bitcoin companies, right? Why are they pumping? Because they're taking the money, right? And they're buying Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is going higher, right? So they're taking the selling shares, right? The stock maybe goes down a little bit, right? They take the money, they buy Bitcoin, the value of the company goes up, right? So it depends what the company is doing with the money. A lot of the times, the companies will say, like, we're taking this money for corporate purposes. What does that mean? We are going to the beach with our husbands and wives and our kids. See you next year. Thanks for coming. Right. Um, so if the reason isn't clear, then garbage. To do an offering before catalyst, not necessarily TM, not necessarily. It depends if the company has cash or if they want to. You've heard, yeah. So I think the reason why people keep saying that is because SIDU is known for doing offerings. Do you know Yi how many offerings they've done? I don't want to go. Like, was that? Oh. Mm. Orders minutes. Okay. La 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 la. Perfect. What's SIDU doing, guys? SIDU is on fire. On fire. Oh my goodness. That thing is on fire. If you're still in SIDU, type in yes in the chat. Uh, they've done 8 offerings here. Yeah. So, yep, that's what they do. Right. So for now, again, hopefully they don't do it at least till the market closes, so people can make money. But that thing is cooking though. That thing is cooking. Sheesh. Well done. Yup. That thing said, just let me go, guys. Just let me go. Just let me hit $4. Just let me go. I bought it and sold it 8 times, King. Yeah, I like when people are okay with like getting in and out. You get in, you get out, you get in, you get out, you get in, you get out. Scalp it over and over. Right? There's nothing wrong with that. Right? It's a diamond hands that will make you like one time you will diamond hand something and you sell it's gonna reward you, but 9 out of 10 times you end up getting yourself in trouble. So that's what you wanna avoid. SIDU, send it, send it, send it. So yeah, let me see how much cash they actually have, right? Because again, they've done a lot of offerings, like they do that, right? But do they have like what have they done with the cash? Jeez, they have $1.4 million in cash, guys. $1.4 million in cash. I mean, I guess space is expensive though. Like going to space isn't cheap. Oof, I like that. I like that a lot. Well done, D. Well done. Well done. So let me show you guys a screenshot, guys. Scroll down. Way down we go. Way down. So this is a screenshot of a member's gain since they became a legend member, guys. Look at those monies. Look at those monies since they became a legend member. Look at those monies, guys. Ooh wee. Uh, yeah, there you go. Monies. Love the consistent wins. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Right? Sometimes patience is, you need a little bit of patience and, yeah, monies, guys. Love it. I like it. So it looks like it's hitting a supply zone at $4. The SIDU. Yeah, probably. Archer. So a little bit of resistance up there, guys. Be careful, please. MNCS. What's MNCS doing? It's actually quite nice. Actually quite nice. I wonder if MNCS is like a sympathy play to SIDU. It's like all the space. Um, yeah, it looks like people are taking some profits, guys. Yeah. Um, love it. MNCS, yeah, let me take a look. WKEY is kind of bouncing back up again, isn't it? Oof. Yeah, there goes MNCS. Is MNCS another space play, guys? Oh, of course it is. Yep, MNCS is a space play. So it looks like everybody's just going to the space plays now. SIDU is a space play. And then obviously MNCS is another space play. Isn't space so SP that's another space play. That thing is not moving at all though. I think it's because people are tired of this rubbish because it's actually I just want to see what the daily chart looks like here. It's taking forever to load. My goodness, that's a long time. Mm. We'll keep an eye on it, see if it ever gains momentum. Just make sure that it stays above $6 because below $6, garbage. So something to watch. I'm gonna set an alert on it. See if it ever moves. Because it clearly doesn't have any volume for now. There's no need to watch that if it has no volume. There you go. Eric, yeah. Let's go, let's go. Monies. Oh, it's finally halted, guys. MNTS is halted up. Was it anyways, yeah. So halted up. Wonder if there's another space stock we can find. And And then back to SIDU, guys. Yeah, again, some profit taking. I wonder if people are just rotating to the other one now. I wonder. It's crazy. Staying safe at 2 king more than the daily goal, right? So that's all that matters. More than the daily goal. More than the daily goal. No, 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 no. What the heck, Grim? Where did you go? Where did you? Oh, yeah, where did you go? You what the heck? Right. That's not gonna work. Something? Uh-huh. 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 11. Oh, good. Very, very cool. I like it. Uh, 3/7. Trump says Zelensky wants uh, what? U.S. Oh, Zelensky wants peace. Yeah, yeah, of course. MNC has unhalted, guys. Yeah, unhalted and then dipping a bit. Yeah, yeah. He wants problems. Yeah, that's exactly what he wants. That's exactly what he wants. And then LES. That's a nice push, Grim. So it looks like quantum computers and space is the new, shiny toy in the market. The new shiny toy in the market. Looking good. This can keep popping. Yeah, it can absolutely, as long as the company doesn't do an offering though, right? Next gen, so be very careful. Again, they do have that history, right, of doing offerings. Looks like everybody's taking the money in SIDU, right? Nothing wrong with that. People made good monies. Lock in those gains, right? Lock in the monies. Part of the portfolio until it pumps. Feels, yeah, okay. Let me take a look. So, Grimace posted this one a bit in Discord, right? So, posted this one in a bit in Discord. La, 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 la. Yep. Yep. It just needs that volume to break out because there's a massive supply zone up there. I bet you that's why it's failing. That 160 is a problem. They can break 160 and then 180, boom skis. Right, so it needs volume, a catalyst, something. Uh, Sounds good, King. Sounds good. Just don't lose those monies. Did you jinx it? Maybe. I don't think so. You'll be fine. But I just don't want people diamond hunting and then an offering happens and then we're like, oh, but what happened? How come they do an offering? But there's a catalyst coming. They wait. Right? What? What was that alert, guys? That was a space alert. The B key does look nice, but that was. Can you guys hear my alerts when it says, "Guess what"? I think it's cool. Space. Virgin Galactic. That was just a random candle popped out. But again, it is a space play. I don't like that it's more expensive. And it has a the float is 27 million, I guess. So not crazy, but eh, meh, we'll keep it on watch. $6 because they split the damn thing, virus. No, no voices, Josh. No voices. Guess what? Maybe I need to turn the volume up so you guys can hear it when it goes off. Guess what? I said another one for you guys. I don't know if you can hear it though. Yeah, they did it. Did you guys hear that? Guess what? Yeah, it was until they scammed the investors and did a split. Um, let me show you when they did that split, virus. If it's even gonna load. So they did a split. Oh wow, yeah, wait, June 17, Monday, June 17. So from $1, took it all the way up. You know what's funny? They did the split and the stock went. They took the split all the way to $9. That's how scammy. Actually, no, no. It's even worse than that. They took the stock from $1. Look at this candle. See, I don't know where this candle opened though, so it could have been 13, $14, $12, right? All the way down to $5. So that's the equivalent of doing a split at like $2 and letting it get like $2, $1 to 50 cents. So without the split, the stock would have been a micro penny stock. But no, they decided to do the scam instead. Anyways, when something crashes, Josh, actually that's a good one. I should do that. What is sideways? Scam though. SMX. I thought SMX was delisted. Hmm. Thought that thing was delisted already. Rubbish. Oh, I see. I see. dang. Alan, did you buy the dip on that thing? On BMNR? Because it went all the way back up. Hmm. Interesting. Space, yeah. Yeah, people are locking in some gains, guys, on the SIDU. Surprise. Nope, nope, nope. TNXP came all the way back up again. 35. Double bottom at 35 cents, Andrew. And then came back up to 40 cents. Not bad. Did you get back in that thing, Andrew? Yeah, good bounce, MJ. Yeah, just don't let that thing slap you. Yep. On the stop loss rate, okay. Just don't let them slap you. As long as it stays above 330, you should be okay. Above the 50, should be okay. 330, close above, you're fine. Because yeah, that is a bit of a scam candle. So if you can stay above, then that's fine. Then that is okay. Let's do 10 more minutes, guys. 10 more minutes, and then we'll hop off and go to Discord. So again, if you're not a member yet, guys, come join us in Discord, and then we will continue there. Ready? Wait. La, 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 la. There you go. Yeah, WKEY does look nice. It's nice how it keeps coming back. So yeah, and don't forget to smash a like, guys, as well, if you haven't already. Okay, there you go. And yeah, so yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Blah blah blah. Bitcoin still looks good, obviously. Obviously, BTC looks good. The S&P looks fine. Right? Nothing crazy happening in the markets today. MNCS looks like it's creeping back up again to the highs of the day. So maybe the money's leaving SIDU to come to this one now. Who knows? Yeah, you gave up. Yeah, it's okay. Uh, you have to again. So the link I sent you at the bottom of the link I sent you, the Discord link I sent you, Mike. You have to click on that link and follow the steps in the Getting Started channel, and it's gonna unlock all the other channels for you. Well, not all of them, only the channels you have access to. Because I don't think you got the legend, you got the Discord, so it doesn't give you access to all the channels. But yeah, so click on that link and then just follow the steps in the Getting Started channel. You basically just have to connect your YouTube and Discord together, and it's going to unlock what your membership reflects on YouTube to Discord, if that makes any sense. Alrighty. Yeah, I see that you clicked on the link, Mike. You just have to follow the steps in the Getting Started channel. The second last video in the Getting Started channel actually walks you through anything you need to do. So yeah, you go to the Getting Started channel. There's a video, second last video, says how to connect Discord to YouTube. You can also just search it, but the steps are also there. All the screenshots, like what you need to click on, and it's pretty easy. Once you do that, then it's gonna unlock. Uh, Space has been slowly creeping up, but I don't know if there's any juice there that's worth the squeeze because it's pretty slow. Is that the expression, guys? Worth the squeeze. SID is trying to consolidate around 330, so let's see if it actually stays. Anyway, isn't that the expression? With the squeeze, juice with the squeeze. Uh, what is that? La, la, la. 20 modules. La, 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 la. Oh, okay. GEX levels, yeah, crazy. Yeah. Rob is just those levels that Rob shares every day in the options channel and the futures channel, like the S&P levels, like what you need to look for, spy calls, spy puts, right? Um, TradingView has like a different membership for that, and they charge you for it. That's what Rob was just showing me. It's $99 a month for the premium, and then Pro is $349 a month. And that's why we keep telling you, like, some of the memberships you guys pay for in Discord, like, you have no idea. Some of the stuff we get, and then, like, we integrate into Discord, like, some of that stuff is just ridiculous. But that's the power of a community, though. You know what I mean? Like, that's the power of a community. Yeah, just another company. Yeah, so that's another company, not connected to TradingView, but just another company. So those levels, right? So crazy, 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 crazy. Yeah, the fire, they really are. They really are. So, yep, that's always been the goal, to provide value, right? Provide value. So they hit on point most of the time. Exactly, virus. So you can take those levels and plug it into your TradingView chart every single day, right? And you can see the levels. So virus. Yeah. We provide value in every sense, Like, imagine again, like, your membership is what, right? Whatever your membership is, like, just that one thing alone, right? Can you imagine paying $90 for that, or again $350 a month just for like that one thing? And then what about everything else, right? So yeah, 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 yeah. So so that's where your membership monies goes most of the time, to pay for tools, tools on tools. So sometimes when people are like, "Oh, but my membership used to be like $2. How come it's not $2 anymore?" I'm like, "Okay, is Discord the same as it was like 4 years ago? It's not, is it?" So okay, if we want to like have all these cool things, then we kind of like, yeah. Dan says, honestly, Discord should cost 10 times what it is. And if you pay attention to the signals and call outs, you'd be doing great. Absolutely, Dan. Absolutely. Absolutely. So to not get hit. Yeah, exactly. So again, like I said, like in the new year, we're only going to do legends and goats, right? So like if you have your membership already, beautiful, right? Nothing, right? Um, but other than that, like it's legends and goats, right? So for those of you guys that enjoy the Discord community level, Good. If you're not a member, yeah, you better like if you better if and you want that cheaper level, you better like sign up. Otherwise, 10 times. Oh no, like we all know that. I know that. Uh, is Discord gonna cost 10 times more than what it is though? No. Is your Discord membership gonna go up? No. Right? I'm just saying for the new people. Right? So for those of you guys, right, that need to Dad trying to get rid of me. No, you're a legend already, D. You don't need to. You're fine. So there goes the curl on SIDU there. So that's good. A bit of consolidation. All you had to do was wait for a bit of consolidation, King, right? Let it sit there for a little bit and then you go. AMD. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Exactly, Rob. Exactly. 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 Dan? Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. And there's more other really cool stuff that we look at and we're like, you know what? Like we already have a lot of stuff in the yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Like we should we should like we want to pay for that stuff, but that's just, way too expensive. Yeah, exactly. Yep. Yep, yep, yep. Absolutely. Red cats. Yeah, or gambling. Yeah, a bit of a gamble, isn't it, Virus? Especially after a run up. TNXP does look really good though. So if you go back into this thing, guys, congratulations, because it actually did go to 46, almost 46, 45, 50. Virus? Yes. That was a good run, actually. Is Andrew still in the chat? Are you And then SIDU, good bounce. Again, sometimes when a stock is dipping, guys, just let it consolidate. Just let it give you signs of wanting to go back up, right? Just don't try and catch the knife, because then you end up selling it and then it goes back up. Sometimes a little bit of consolidation is key. It does the magic trick. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Uh, uh, like so you'd be missing out on like the group classes, Pyro. So the group classes, some of the recorded education sessions, the signals, right? So like swing plays, signal alerts, yeah, 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 stuff like that, Pyro. Stuff like that. That's what you'd be missing out on. You do, Grim? Send it. Send it, send it. SIDU, that's a pretty nice curl. Very, very nice. Send it, Grim. Send it. Somehow grown into a damn. Okay. Hey, yeah. So, so for those of you guys, for those of you guys that have like sometimes, Rob and I talk about it and like all the stuff we work on, and sometimes we talk about it and we're like, like the anyways, we'll leave it there. We'll leave it there. Oh, no, 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 no. Yeah, another quantum computing name, ST. Another one. Another one. That was a good scalp, Ryan. Well done. That was a really good scalp. Another one, Grim. I know, Dan. I know, I know. I know, I know. That was a really good run. uh, Dan? Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Wait, how the hell is QQQ like pushing like that? My goodness. I bet you it's MSTR stuff now that they added in there. That's benefiting from that. Crazy. Crazy. Yeah, he's good for one thing. Did your parents ever say that to you, Virus? Unbelievable. Like, what are you good for? Good for nothing. Damn, my goodness. Sheesh. We got roasted as kids, growing up. Roasted. I could never be bullied, I don't know if anybody can tell me anything that like that I haven't been told already. Not by like a stranger, by your own mom, Sheesh. Words for last resort. Seriously. Sheesh. You wonder if anybody they roast you and you wonder if anybody actually loves you. Wow. Unbelievable. 61. Nate Jackson? No, I don't think so. Don't think so. Oof, look at TNXP, guys. Back to the highs, they did it again. Is anyone still in this one? Grim? At least today is better than Friday. I think maybe it's just because it's Friday, maybe. Na, 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 na. Yup. Uh, SIDU, Sunny. Oh. Why, Rob? I think it's because there goes 46 cents. 18. 18, Lorena. Monies. Well done. Love it. That's a pretty good swing. Love it, love it. AMC's at six-month lows. What a garbage stock. Absolute garbage. You better sell that thing. It goes 47. Very nice TNXP. AMC is the biggest POS stock you will ever see. Yeah, the chart, like looking for bottoms between like 30 and 26, and then social media hype. Also, they have some form of deal with NASA, I think, right? So that might be. I don't know if they actually do space. Bill, Nate Jackson. Yeah, Nate Jackson. About WeBuy and TNXP. Okay. Something like that virus. But win, earn more than the loss. That's the key. That's the key, Luna. Right? You could lose 4 trades and win on 2 trades and still come out ahead, and that's the goal. Right? So the win rate is not what you're looking for. It's the key is to cut those losses smaller and then make more monies on the wins. Right? So I like that. Good job. Good job. Mike, are you connected? Are you good to go? Good to go. Do. I think you should be good. ASTI. Sorry for the spam today. No, that's okay, Grim. ASTI. Okay. Keep an eye on that one. I see why you're looking at that. Did you have that connection to yeah. Okay. I see it. That green candle. Let me go take a look. ASTI. That last green candle, this is you. Why am I not surprised? 1.3 million share float. What does the daily look like? Ooh. Ooh. It's coming off 250 though. 250 would have been perfect. So closer to 3, you almost need a dipski. Yeah, needs dipski for sure. But yeah, that's nice. It's, I like it. MSTS trading here. Crazy, right? La, la, la. Oof, TNXP, what a nice run. Um, yeah, you missed your dipski on that thing. It's at the highs of the day now. Yeah, not a fan of that, Leo. Uh, Rob, yeah, he's just sitting there, just chilling. And Bitcoin is above 107. You know, back to highs of the day, double topic basically. But Bitcoin looks really nice, really really nice. I'm not sure why BTC is still showing that candle is red though, but whatever. TradingView is trying to scam us. Good job, Stifler. Good job. Yeah, just wait for a dip, Leo. Sort of buying at the highs of the day, and then all of a sudden you're holding another bag. You know, another bag. Oh, that's right. Okay, perfect. That's right. Stifler, when are you gonna join us in Discord? When? Um, oh, Yi? No, that's okay. Like, yeah, giving people signals is, it's one of those like things that it's not the easiest thing to do. You know, not the easiest thing to do. But then again, people also have to manage that position as they see fit, right? So someone can give you a signal, but you should always manage that position. Always. If there's one thing that we teach is, learn and take responsibility for your own monies, because at that point you will start to do well. Never just follow blindly. Never just follow anybody blindly. And you trust somebody, you follow them. just use a stop loss. Make sure your money is protected, because that person is not going to be out there shooting with you in the streets. Yes. Grim, yeah, yeah, no. But I think that's one thing that we are better at in this community. At though people know not to diamond hand, right? Is investing in BTC? You will catch up sooner. Thoughts? uh, what do you guys think in the chat, guys? What do you guys think? What do you guys think? What's the response? So Patricia is saying one stock advisor said if you're behind on your 401k, the best way to catch up is investing in BTC. You will catch up sooner. Um, virus. Uh, see, we all know the answer to that is yes, right? We know the answer to that is yes. Um, but I don't think it's a good idea to all of a sudden say, you know what, like all of a sudden, like in the interest of like portfolio diversification, I'm just gonna go all in on BTC, right? Because you're gonna have a lot of stress, right? Oh, it is that's let me reach out. Oh, it's $11 trillion investment firm. Who said that, Josh? In AMD, I won 5%. Yeah. So again, I think we know we know the answer to that is yes. BlackRock, okay, like we know the answer to that is yes, but at the same time, it's like you know, yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't know. Just make sure you're careful, Patricia. Right? Yeah. I would still say like diversify. You know what I mean? Like I think like I think a lot of people wouldn't be able to. Again, the answer is probably yes. But like, would people be able to hand like for someone that's behind, Josh? I think there's multiple things that they have to think about. First of all, they're you're behind, so like you're putting a lot of like emotional capital to behind BTC going up, right? So when it has those red days, uh, you're panicking a little bit because you're like, damn, I'm trying to catch up. I'm not trying to fall behind, right? So now when Bitcoin is up 150%, 200% in the last year, and then it goes down like 2%, you're like, okay. But I thought, panic, panic, panic. Yeah. Yeah. No, that's my hesitation. My hesitation is not that the answer is not yes, right? My hesitation is the yeah, is the panic. You're behind, Leo. Yeah, we've been talking about this for the last. You're missing out on a lot of stuff, Leo. Right? Long term investing. We've been talking about crypto. We've been talking about, right. Guess what? What? What do you want? What was that alert? I don't know what that alert was, but I'm not gonna look. I bet you that alert was that grim signal. Yeah, yeah. BTC is cooking. It's like they're matching the S&P. Well, I mean, not that, but you know what I mean. Both charts are matching. I think I answered your question already, Bill. Uh, yeah, not yeah. There you go, Josh. Right. So I just think for someone that's behind, um, they're gonna have like a lot of emotions because they really want to catch up. You know, it's different than someone that's well diversified and or they're not behind. They're like the rest of their investments are doing well, so then they can be aggressive with Bitcoin. They're like, you know what? Let me be aggressive. Then when it dips, you're like, let me just add some more. Let me buy the dip skis. But yeah, QUBT looks amazing. That name looks amazing. Yeah, that was Grim. QUBT. Quantum computers. That looks amazing. That thing's up 50% just today alone. Amazing. QUBT. So if you're in this one and swinging it, congratulations. Yeah. Oh, maybe that was LEDS instead. Actually, let me take a look. What's Let's doing? Mm, still has work to do, but yeah. Grim monies. Uh, oh, Varus. We've been talking about long-term investments so much. I haven't started. Whatever you want to say. Ah. Honestly, you're not even kidding. Like long-term investing is hard, guys, especially for what we do. You know, like I'm used to scalping for the longest time, and then all of a sudden, I'm holding like something, and then it's going down, and I'm like, damn, where's my stop loss? What do you mean no stop loss? What do you mean by the dip? Oh, like the first week I know. Yeah. The first week I bought the div skis, and then all of a sudden I was down like $2,000. I'm like, damn, if this was a stock, I would have cut it already way before this. What the hell? Why am I buying more? But yeah, Maris, you're not helping. Yeah, no, I struggled. I struggled with like starting to do long term stuff. Like, damn. Like, wait, what do you mean I can't sell my gains? What do you mean I can't sell? Are you kidding me? My IBIT position is up 100 and something percent. Yeah, I think like 100%. But if that was a regular scalp, I'd be out of that rubbish a long time ago. Crazy. Was it a good idea? Let's go, Josh. Well, how come I don't have more, Josh? I'm kidding. Kidding. No, I'm glad I don't have more. Otherwise, ooh we. I Yeah. Virus, go look at Stock General. That's my IBIT. Josh, I know, right? I know. Uh, I need to make money going down. I know. Uh, I know. Yep. I've been holding that thing for so long. That thing is growing some hairs. I should have been out already. Anyways, yeah, SIDU does look good. Does look really, really good. So that was a good bounce. Again, consolidating above 330. King, did you get back into this? That looks nice. Looks very nice. Looks very, very nice. There's no sell button. Has a glorious beard, long road. Seriously, Josh. Yeah. Long, long road. Yeah, I bet you a lot of people are going to be selling like as we get to September. A lot. I'm never selling, Grim. Never selling. 330 sold at 55. Got impatient. No, that's fine. You made monies. Especially since you're just adding on to that 2K. You're fine, King. You are absolutely okay. uh, how long has it been, Grim? I have no idea. I have no idea, honestly. No clue. I cannot wait for the sell up potentially next year. Going to go hard. Yeah. So you're gonna sell your position. I think Lorena mentioned that as well. Yeah. Let's is getting some attention. LEDS. I know Grim has been waiting for this one to cook. So yeah. Yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna sell anything, Josh. Um, I don't think I will. Just gonna say whatever and just leave it. I don't think I will. Doo, doo, doo. Yeah. Damn, Jeff. That's a good roast. Doo. Okay, perfect. There you go. 68. Oh, it's about to trigger the alert. Yeah, virus loves AMD. AMD is at a good spot. Maybe I'll come through the rest of the year. That's true. Just dollar cost average, right? The dollar cost average. Keep some money, some cash. Pan W. Nancy Pelosi loves that stock, so maybe I think, right? Wasn't Nancy Pelosi in this? It's definitely cooking into the split. Cooking into the split here. Lots of resistance up there though. Like, yeah. Kind of feel like with this thing, I would honestly just, it's not like it's breaking out anyways. I would just let it split because they split tonight anyways. I would just let that thing split. Yeah. And then, because you know how they split and then they dip, then maybe that'll give you an opportunity. Wait, they already split? Oh. 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 400 to 200? Oh, it just seemed really expensive that I was like, huh. Anyways, yeah, no, honestly, at this point, I would still, unless you really like the company, which is fine. I feel like I would wait for some consolidation above 200 just because we're sitting right below. Hmm. And then it has that crazy double top at 204.30 ish. Uh, yeah. Oh, you were a pyro? Okay, sounds good. Rob, I know, I know. Oh, that's funny. Uh, uh, okay, there we go. Sober. MKDW. I wish I virus probably. Rob's always late, Luna. Always. Let's do 4 more minutes, guys. 4 more minutes, and then let me know if you have any last questions. Alrighty. Again, don't forget to smash the like, guys, please, and thank you. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat and come join us. Already. Again, SPY looks good. SPY just made brand new highs and then came back down. Bitcoin looks nice. So everything looks good. Today's been a good day, right? 68. Yeah, don't let that thing crash. Don't lose those gains. I know that. I know. Me too. But yeah, let me know if you have any last questions, guys. We have 4 minutes left, and then we're gonna hop off and go back to Discord. SMX. A little bit of vibes there on SMX. Little vibes there. Vibey vibes. Much love, Josh. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Again, tomorrow we're just gonna probably stream in Discord. Because I have to go get my stupid passport, I guess. But which is annoying how it has to be in the morning instead of. I think the issue is like I don't know. We'll see. So yeah, we get to stream in Discords. So I'm gonna make sure that I'll bring my computer with me, so I have all the charts and whatnot, and my headphones, so we can stream. If not, we can still chat and look at the same stocks, right? We can still interact, even if my screen isn't up. Virus, come on, be there tomorrow. Let's go, Josh. Let's go. Let's go. But then we'll be back on Wednesday, Virus. Just like nothing happened, just like that, back on Wednesday. You know, like nothing changed. Let me take a look. Wow, 1%. Yeah, yeah. Mayhem. Have a wonderful rest of the day as well. Sunny, you do too. See, everybody loves Virus. Come on, come on, Virus. Come on, come on. Any last questions, guys? Okay. Mike, are you good to go? Did you connect? Yeah, you're good to go. Perfect. There you go. Look, dude. Oh, wow. You see this rubbish, Grim? These are your people. Alrighty, all. Much love. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Virus deleted all those messages for people that love. Oh my goodness. Can you believe this? Wow, 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 wow. Unbelievable. See you tomorrow, Stifler. Alrighty, all. Much love. Have a wonderful rest of the day, and we'll see you guys in Discord. Alrighty, all. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Bye-bye. Bye.